Ayan, so yeah, we can start right now. So sino ba gusto mag-start? Press 1 kung gusto niyo mag-start.
Or ano, maybe you can promote the partners muna.
O yung partners.
Yeah,
Wait lang, kaya. So,
we have lots of partners.
teka guys. Ayan, baka kasi magtampo yung mga partners natin. Wait lang hanapin ko na yung partners natin. I did FWDP post pala. Filipino Web Development Peers. Wait lang. So, we're going to view our partners. Which is tagal na internet. Recording na ako. Ay, yan si Seth. Talaga naman, Seth. Ayan, sige. So, we're gonna start with, ayan, so pag narinig nyo guys, nabanggit yung partner ninyo, sabihin nyo, hep hooray ha. Sige, let's start with, ay sige, di pala hep hooray, but yung pangalan ng babanggitin kong community. Kasi baka lahat sila mag-hep hooray eh. Bandwagon effect. Ayan, so let's start with our partner communities. So, sigaw-sigaw naman dyan. StuDevPH. Ayan, sino po ang mga taga StuDevPH, guys? Let's go! O member din ng StuDevPH. O, syempre, lahat naman tayo, di ba? We can join multiple communities naman, no?
Mhm.
Ayan, so sino yung mga taga StuDev? Ayan. Okay, siyempre si Christian Dev at si Patatas, yan, mga hardcore members ng yan, StuDevPH. Bagong member pa lang StuDev. Alright, sino naman ang taga Data Engineering Pilipinas? Ayan, sino po ang taga Data Engineering Pilipinas? Or, member ng Data Engineering Pilipinas, meron ba guys? Ako po, yan. Ako din eh. O, sino naman ang member ng Angular PH? Ayan. Ligaw lang kami ni StuDevPH. Ayan, sige, si Angular PH, ayan. Sino naman nakakilala sa Google Developer? Wait lang. Google Developer Groups Cloud Manila? Wait lang, i-copy-paste ko lang. Dami natin partners guys eh. Parang mahihilo yata ako kakabasa. Ayan, so Google Developer Groups Cloud Manila? Ayan. Of course, si CZA. Yeah. Za. Ayan, na-meet ko si Za nung yeah, APC. Cave Guild, meron ba dito members ng Cave Guild? Member na lahat ng orgs. Cave Guild, guys! Ayan, si The Reaper nagtatype na. Yan! Cave Guild, you're a Web3 ally, educate, haba ng pangalan nila eh. Pero yun, Cave Guild. Yeah. So, next, K. Yan, sa Cave Guild, Web3, UI, UX. Ayan, so si The Reaper, The Reaper is one of their core members. Ayan, of course, siguro naman lahat tayo ay member ng Tech Career Shifters, no? Tech Career Shifters, everyone? Tech
Siyempre.
Heist. The 148 audience will agree partner, no? Yon naman. 140 na pala tayo, di ko na malayan. Naman, ingay na. Tech Career Shifters, let's go. And of course, our startups, the Fresco Innovations, Plantbox Innovation, Sandbox, and AEOU Creatives. And of course, we have our school organizations. Kaya, di ko na sila isa-isahin kasi ito ay super dami, no? So, meron tayong APC Aces, ayan, kung narinig niyo Aces, kaway-kaway kayo dyan. Ayan, APC, Microsoft Community, ayan. Nandito ngayon, syempre, si consultant ninyo, si Seth. Um, yeah, dating president ng APC Microsoft Community. Ngayon, meron din tayong CCS Executive Council from MSU, Mindanao State University, IIT. Ayan. And then we also have Codability Tech. Ayan, they are as one, no? Codability Tech Student Organization, NU Fairview, and Google Developer Student Clubs, NU Fairview. Yan, sunod ko narinig yun, guys. Let's go. We also have Computer Science Student Organization, CSSO. Ayan, ito guys, active sila, no? For the past days. Ayan, so kaway-kaway sa inyo. Google Developer Student Clubs PUP, Google Developer Student Clubs TUP Manila, Google Developer Student Clubs Mapua MCL. Mapua MCM, buti sabihin ng MCL eh. Ayan, so our brothers from Mapua, Malayan College, Mindanao. And then we have Google Developer Student Clubs PLM, Google Developer Student Clubs, yan, si Kurt UE Caloocan, yan. And then lastly, Google Developer Student Clubs, UP Manila. Ayan. And then we also have our other partners as well. ISPSC Main Campus, Computing Studies Students Organization. Actually, partner din natin kanilang department and school eh. And because they said pati yung school or nila, school logo. We also have here NU Literates Community from NU Baliwag sila. And then of course, yung dating university ng dad ko, PSU Ordineta Information Technologists League or known as PSU Ordineta Intel. Diyan din nag-aaral yung aming uncle. Uncle R. Rom. Ayan. We also have Society of Information Technologists or SITE or SITE, DHVSU. Tama SITE yata to. And then Society of Youth for the Next Technological Advancement and Excellence, Syntax. All right, our one of our actually sila yung school org na merong long-term partnership with us. So, 'di ba Kiara, their creatives team is also a part of our partnered tayo with their creatives team. So guys,
Yes.
if you have creatives guys, pwede niyo pong i-partner sa amin. Ayan, kung meron kayong school org, and then if you wanna learn or contribute sa aming PubMats, ganyan, or videos. Kasi naghanap kami for for YouTube and then TikTok eh. Ayan, para ayun na magamit yung aming 'di ba, platform to reach out to a wide range of students and career shifters. So if your creatives team of is interested yung org ninyo to partner with us, ayan, so si Kiara po magiging boss ninyo and si Pau. Ayan, so marami kayong matututunan sa kanila. Ayan. And then lastly, TUP Tech Guild. Alright, so meron ba dito mga taga TUP Tech Guild? Ayan. Ayan, so meron din tayong ayan, so FWDP Jupiter Campus. Daming Alright. Sige, so we are now 156 Kiara. Grabe Kiara, sabi na nga ba eh. 157. Grabe. Nalagpasan pa yung yung webinar ng Data Engineering Pilipinas dito one time. Heist. Heist.
Siyempre, that's because we're growing kasi. Kaya ganun.
Yan, grabe na yan, Insan. Ayan. Uy, grabe. Hahabol tayo, pre. Bulso MSC, nag-abot din ako ng partnership sa kanila actually. So, sasabihin na lang ulit si Miss Raika na nag-send ako ng partnership sa inyo, no? Kasi yung Bulso MSC is actually one of our best partners din. Even during nung yan, tama. Kinuha example si Reine. Hello, Shadowless. Ayan, so hopefully, yan. Kasi yun din guys, no? we're actually still open for partnerships kasi nga our goal is to grow. Our goal is to expand our Core Plus to many universities. Lalo na guys, if you are from Visayas, kasi wala kaming partner from Visayas. So, yeah, so if you're from Visayas and you're affiliated to some org, kahit hindi school org yan, kahit youth org or yeah, non-profit organization, pwede po. Okay? Ayan. So, hello ulit guys. PHSC is in the future upcoming community. Yeah, si Reaper yung founder nun. Yeah. Uy, gusto niyo ba guys yung proposal ni John Dev, yung bad yung logo si Joe sa ating stickers? Nox naman. Not a partner of Core Plus. Ayan, sige. O si Noah pala siya, ni. Alright, GDS TUP. Hello, Luigi. Ano, musta ka na dyan, Kiara? Na-overwhelm ka yata, pre.
Okay pa ako.
Ayan. Ayan. So, ready when you are, Kiara?
Yep, I'm ready actually. So, start na? We're at 161 na.
Let's go!
Sige, I'm gonna share my screen. Teka lang, ready na ba kayo? Ayun, ready na daw sila. Let's go. Ano ba 'to? Wait lang, Ayan. Ayan, naka-ano na ako, share na ng screen. Nakikita ba? Do you see the curtain? Parang
Nox
ayun,
na.
let's go. May
Mas
pa-curtain-curtain
partner.
pa, eh. Ngayon
Entertainer.
ko lang
Guys, concert, ano pala to guys? Teatro, concert guys. Kaya pala ang dami natin, pre. Di ako na-inform. Grabe naman yan. Saan? Mekos. Hindi
ngayon ko lang
guys,
siya nalaman actually. So,
ay,
ayun. So, ay hala.
tinaga pa. Yeah. Oy, pag nadinig yung palakpakan.
I just found that out today sa Canva. So, nagkamali pa nga. Eto siya, magic shortcuts. Ayan siya. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita. Actually, ngayon lang yata 'to. AI from Canva. So, we have ayan, magpa-confetti tayo. So, hello everyone. Welcome to our first session ng UI/UX mentorship. So just to let you know, the first session is kamustahan session siya and orientation. So, puro ano lang tayo ngayon. We're not gonna be designing pa using Figma. Puro ano lang talaga, orientation about Core Plus and stuffs like that. So, this is your gateway to exciting opportunities, mentorship, and real-world projects. Next. So, today's agenda is first, introduction. Second, may course orientation tayo. Third is mga rules, rewards, and pointing system. 4, getting to know each other. And 5, may icebreaker tayo. And finally, 6, heart-to-heart talk. So, yung heart-to-heart talk is, it's a designer's talk. So, I'm gonna be talking about UI/UX accessibility after that. So, yan yung pinaka-last na ano natin for today. So, siyempre start muna tayo with introduction. So, kami pala yung student mentors nyo for UXapang UIdols. So, wala si Pau today due to some things that kailangan niya tapusin. And ayun, of course, it's me, Kiara. Hello, everyone. This is actually my first ever session. So, tapos ang dami na agad, like 169. So, nakakatuwa lang. And I also would like to thank the FWDP community for giving me this opportunity pala. So, just a short introduction about me. I am Kiara. I am from Cebu and I'm actually 22 years old, but I have been designing for almost roughly 3 years to 5. I'm not sure about uh 5 siya, but like that past 2 years, hindi ganong ka-committed. So, yeah. So, that's a short introduction lang about me. So, meron tayo 12 sessions. So, yan yung sessions natin that will happen every Sunday, 6 to 8 p.m. here on our FWDP Discord. So, sa course orientation na 'to, we're gonna get to know more about our mentorship, mga exciting stuffs, and siyempre opportunities that we have for you. Yun naman talaga yung pinakaimportante, yung aside from the learning, opportunities. Lalong-lalo na sa UI/UX design field na sobrang hirap makahanap ng entry-level jobs. Kasi kahit entry-level job siya, they still ask for years of experience. I know madaming nakaka-relate diyan. So, kaya nga we have this UI/UX initiative to, somehow help provide projects, opportunities, and experience. Totoo yung entry-level job pero 5 years of experience. If you're gonna go sa Indeed, like LinkedIn, nakalagay dun, "We need an entry-level UX/UI designer." Tapos requirements, 5 years minimum. Worst na yung 10 years. Like, grabe talaga. So, ayan. Kaya stay tuned and I hope na yung mentorship na 'to, it's gonna help you open the doors and opportunities for UI/UX design. So, ayun. Meron din tayong possible activities and topics, we're gonna talk about it. And weekly design challenge and of course, guest speakers. So, eto siya. So, since 12 sessions siya, here are our possible podcast topics. So, of course, we're gonna have an introduction to UI/UX design, mga design fundamentals, which is very important. Lalo-lalo na we're gonna be distinguishing ano nga ba yung UI, ano nga ba yung UX, 'di ba? Kasi magkaiba kasi siya. It's a different field. I mean, like different siya from UI and UX. And we have the user-centered design process, visual design principles, interaction design and usability, mobile app design. So, mga topics lang 'to siya. We're also gonna be talking about web accessibility and inclusive design, prototyping and wireframing, design systems and UI kits, UX research methods, challenges and trends in UI/UX design, career paths, and growth in UI/UX design. So these podcast topics, we prepare this for you para we can like have knowledge about these things. Kasi itong mga nasa topics na to, these are things that you need to know if you wanna get into UI/UX design or if you want to become a better UI/UX designer. So even though you still don't know or di pa kayo familiar about these topics or these mga words, we're gonna help you about it. So next is mga exciting activities throughout this 12 sessions. So we have our weekly design challenge, our invited speakers from different UI/UX design communities, and design sprints. So, okay. So we're gonna talk about our our core plus. So we're gonna introduce our core plus muna. So one part of the core plus initiative from FWDP is this one, UI/UX community. Pero madami pa talaga kaming ina-offer. So, founder, could you tell them about it? Yung Core Plus natin? Like, ano nga ba yung Core Plus from FWDP?
Ako yata tinatanong mo pre.
Oo. Tell them more about ano nga ba yung ano, FWDP Core Plus, gano'n.
Ayun, so paunang singit nun guys, may nagre-record naman na, eh. So, ngayon, ayun may nagre-record na si John Dev. So, Core Plus is actually an initiative from FWDP to actually help people upskill. So, we organize events like this for students and career shifters. Not just limited sa mga school orgs na naka-partner sa amin, but also of course, we want others din to yun nga, to benefit from close curtain. To benefit 'no, from what we do 'no, para hindi natin masyadong nage-gatekeep yung knowledge 'no, because everyone needs to learn this stuff 'no, that we're sharing 'no, sa ating mga sessions. That's why we have itong mga student mentors and mga professionals. We're also gonna invite ng mga professionals sa ating Core Plus, programs and experts, yung mga matatagalan sa field so that we can learn from them, no? Before we have monthly community day, actually sa dami nga ngayon partner eh, we can consider this actually as a, a monthly community day na din. Yeah, so that's Core Plus for you guys. We also have, yun nga, aside from that, dapat active kayo sa ating mga sessions. So, yung ginagawa ninyo, yung pag-type-type lang dyan sa ating UXapang UIdol, ayan, na sessions, na chat rather, para tumaas yung rank. No? Aside from, of course, being active sa mga ganito, dapat active din kayo sa community platforms natin para maramdaman namin kayo guys. So, yeah, you can check the rank. Ayan, you can check your rank guys by typing /rank kung anong ranking ninyo. Checking lang sa akin kasi baka malagpasan ako eh. Ayan, so the minimum after January 2024 is level 20. And then, doon naman sa Facebook group natin, you can share articles, you can share your insights, you can share your achievements, or you can ask questions sa ating FB group. So doon guys, ang minimum is 500 points. Okay? So, madaling gawin, no? So that, yun nga, if our community platforms is active, mas lala kami magaganahan, of course, na magpa-event sa inyo, guys. And then, of course, ayan, so meron tayong pa-raffle. If you happen to be active, teka lang ano, so, hanapin ko lang yung raffle natin, yung grand prize natin. So, ayun, dun naman, after you are of course active sa ating Core Plus, you of course you contribute to different, different programs that we have, or you can also of course in one sessions, no? So, meron tayong perks, no, ng mga active. So, first is raffle. So, mananalo kayo ng keyboard. Oh, sheesh. Grabe guys, na ano ko, sorry. Dapat secret lang siya eh, heist. Pero yun nga guys, no. So, mananalo kayo ng grand prize na keyboard. Ayan, so ito siya guys. Uy, na-paste. Uy. Uy. Heist. Ayan. Okay lang yan, pre. Pwede ka umabol. Ay, 180. 180 na tayo ah. Ayan. Tapos meron din tayong siyempre mga merch, 'yan, meron na tayong stickers. So kung nakatanggap na kayo ng stickers guys, ayan, paste lang dito sa UXapang UIdol na chat kung nakatanggap na kayo ng ating merch na stickers. And then of course, we're gonna have shirts, we're gonna have stickers, 'yun, lanyard and all such, 'no? And then of course, meron din tayong meron din tayong endorsement to our partner companies. So, para yun sa, of course, sa students ko yan, kung naghanap kayo ng sideline, so we can endorse you to our partner companies. Ayan. And then, aside from that, no, daming perks, no? Of course, certificate at the end of the Core Plus. Kung syempre kung active kayo, no? Syempre, bibigyan ba natin ng certificate yung mga di active, di ba? Hi, yung certificate lang yung motivation. Reveal. Ayan, si Lloyd din. Yeah, sa pa-internship ng mga partner companies. And then, lastly, meron tayong mga badges. Actually, wait lang. So, hanapin ko lang yung file. Ba't ganun? Ayan, so meron tayong mga badges. So, stay tuned doon. We are going to announce them right away, no? After we are finished na talking about the badges. And, yeah. So, endorsed. And then any reward thought of by the mentors, no? Kung may magpapa-reward sila, so pwede guys, no? So again, what are the Core Plus all along? Yung structure natin is to deliver the lessons to you. And then guys, if you learn something new, 100 days of code, yan, I will check here. Ayan. Guys, may pumasok na di ka pala nabanggit kasi na-overlook ko guys. Na-overlook ko to, no? Meron pa pala tayong dagdag na grand prize. So wait lang Ngayon, now we have the first part, mentoring. Syempre, what we are doing right now is mentoring, di ba? Tapos, mentoring ganyan. And then, yan, 100 days of code. Ito, nag-spam na sila, guys. Naku po. Ayan, 100 days of code. Ayan, so dyan kayo mag-share dito sa 100 days of code channel na pinis ko sa ating UXapang Idol. Kung anong learnings nyo, no? Pagdagdag na rin sa ranking, guys, if you can spark conversations dyan sa 100 days of code. So, the purpose of 100 days of code is to be consistent, no? Be consistent per day. And even if just 10 minutes of learning, no, you can paste it there sa ating 100 days of code. No, just paste a screenshot, ganyan, and then in a way, we also inspire others to take the same path, no? And then, of course, pwede rin sa ating FB group if you're more active sa Facebook group, pwede rin doon. May mga nagsasend dati. Ngayon, buhayin natin yung Facebook group, guys. So, paste doon ng mga learnings inyo, insights, articles. Pabutin natin ng 500 points naman doon sa Facebook group. Dito naman, level 20. Ngayon, with that, no, after all said, of course, meron din tayong mga, yan, dito sa UI UX, we have design sprints, challenges, meron din tayo dun sa other Core Plus initiatives na, for example, projects, ganyan. Para sa ganun ay, yun nga, we apply what we learn, no? Not just what we absorb, but also, we also applied what we learned. And then lastly, no, yung mga ano ba makukuha natin dito? So una syempre is KeyCon C1, and then we also have another grand prize. Actually, yan, grand prize, isa lang mananalo dito is FWDP hoodie. Ayan, so FWDP hoodie, so meron tayong sponsor na FWDP hoodie. Ayan, no? Heist. Tapos guys, kung may kayo, suggestions kayo for a monitor, budget, di na sana di lalagwas sa 10K na eh. So message lang ako kung ano yung monitor guys. So, yun. In a way, meron tayong tatlong grand prize. And then, merch. Ayan. Meron din daw alam na monitor yung ating sponsor. Okay, so meron din alam na monitor. Tapos, meron din tayong merch, of course. Mga damit, stickers. Ayan, nakatanggap. Uy, AJ, picture mo nga dito yung sticker na natanggap mo. Ayan, so stickers, ganyan. And then, meron din tayong endorsement sa mga company if you are an active mentee. Actually, guys, if you're from a company and you want to partner with us, please message me. Let's partner para, yun nga, for web development positions, UI UX positions. Understaffing kayo. And then, certificate. Yan, yung grand prize na inabangan talaga ng mga peoples. Out of everything, feeling ko certificate partner ang kanilang ang kanilang habol dito. 'Di ba guys? Certificate, heist. Ayan, and
Monitor
then
daw.
monitor. Ayan. So guys, alam niyo naman gagawin niyo guys. Ano ba? Siyempre, kailangan palagi kayo nakatamay sa community natin, no? Kasi siyempre, everyone, I mean, guys, pag active kayo, lahat ng yon, you will be eligible for the raffle, you will be eligible, of course, for the endorsement, you will be eligible for the certificate. Pero yung grand prize, para sa isang tao lang na mananalo sa raffle. Okay? So, siyempre, when you are active dito, dapat yung may sense. 'Di ba? Hindi yung baka i-type nila lang A-E-I-O-U, 'di ba, na letters lang, na A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 'no? So, wag naman gano'n, guys. Naku, Sir Cutie. Ay, Sir Cutie. Sa daming binigay na perks, Kiara, sa set na pala sila nakatingin. Hay! I mean, feeling ko cert lang sapat na, pero dinagdagan pa natin kasi, yun nga, we want na mag-enjoy kayo. Okay? We want na we want din siyempre na you can get something out of it, no? Not just new knowledge but also yun, uh, new things siguro and new blessings, okay?
Yes.
Yung cert is
So,
for the active lang, Mark. Yan. Sige guys, so yun lang guys. I will pass the floor back to Kiara.
ayun, grabe naman yun. Akala ko ano eh, papa-picturean mo yung monitor na 70K eh. Yung ano pala.
Nice.
Okay, so yeah, aside from the things na sinabi ni founder, so yun yung i-expect nyo sa sa whole Core Plus na if you're gonna click the Facebook link, ayun, makikita nyo dun yung mga available mentorship sessions dun. Not just UI UX, but you can really learn lots of things pa. So ayun, balik naman tayo sa Canva natin na may ganyan-ganyan pa siya. Okay. So ayun, na-mention kanina yung mga rules, ay di pa pala yung rules, mga rewards. That's for the 'di ba, whole Core Plus. So this one, ito naman yung for this session, for UI UX session mismo. So eto, first we have your winners per weekly design challenge. So merong unique badge or sticker. Plus, meron siyang puwede ka i-feature sa Facebook, socials, like Discord, LinkedIn, and gano'n. So, just to give you an idea about the weekly design challenge. So, sino dito familiar dun sa mga 100 design challenge or weekly design challenge? If you're familiar about it, yan. Meron kasing website that sends you prompt, like design na puwede mo siyang gawin in 100 days, mga gano'n. Yeah, so if you're familiar with that, parang ano siya, that's the same initiative na gagawin natin dito. Yeah, so magkakaroon tayo ng weekly design challenge. And in order for you to access the channel for UI UX design, I want you to go through, ano ba to, dito sa roles. And then, dapat iset nyo yung badge nyo to UI UX para makita nyo yung channels doon. Kasi we're gonna put the challenges there for a weekly design challenge. So, ayun. And, so sa weekly design challenge na 'to, meron tayong winner per week. And every since every Sunday yung live podcast natin or mentorship natin, yung design challenge natin, it will start by Monday and yung deadline is every Saturday. So, ano nga ba yung difference na weekly design challenge dito sa FWDP sa weekly design challenge or design challenges na nakikita nyo lang sa websites? So, the thing that's nice here, since we have mentees from the developer, like let's say mga mentees natin sa devs, yung mga nag-aaral ng HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So, para magkita nyo yung project nyo or design nyo na kinode siya ng isang dev, it's gonna be a collaboration. So, yung mga ide-design nyo for weekly design challenge, yun din yung ide-design yun din yung code nung mga mentees from HTML, CSS, and JS or other ano. So, maganda siya, collaboration. So, paano nga ba yun mangyayari? If you're thinking, how will it happen? So, we're gonna be posting a registration form about that. So, sa weekly design challenge na to, kailangan ng registration. Okay? So, you don't have to register for the podcast lang. I mean, sa podcast natin, hindi kailangan na registration. Pero yung this design challenge natin is kailangan natin ng registration because we have to make sure na you are committed to the design challenge. Kasi it's not just you. Since magiging collaboration siya, collaborative project siya from the devs and the designer, kailangan committed ka to do the challenge. Kasi what if hindi mo nagawa yung design? Kawawa yung developer, 'di ba? So we need you to be committed. So we're gonna be posting a registration form for this. So abang-abang lang kayo because we're gonna be posting it tomorrow dito sa Discord and on our Facebook page and also our Facebook group or any socials from FWDP. So ang maganda kasi dito, aside sa nakikita mo yung design mo na ano siya, like nakikita mo siya na kino-code siya. Like, ang maganda din dito is that you will know how to collaborate directly with a developer. That's a very important thing that you have to consider as a UI UX designer, syempre. Kasi you're gonna be handing off designs to devs eh. So parang training ground na din siya na you're gonna consider then yung capability ng developer, yung nade-design ba yung code po or is it too complex, mga ganyan. So, yes, magkaka-registration tayo for that. And then, nandun yung mga details, further details. Tapos, there we're gonna be asking you some questions like your level of commitment, your interest, your expertise, and etc. So, for that, for the weekly design challenge, meron tayong mga mentor cards. I mean, mentee cards. Para siyang ID. So, once you have that, that means you are a mentee, like official mentee, that you are part of the design challenge. So, we will post about it. So, after that, kukunin namin yung master list for the mentees and then gagawa kami na mismo yung mag-group sa inyo to the other mentees from the dev team. So, sobrang saya, di ba? Like, para na-imagine nyo lang na it's like nasa school kayo, tapos syempre, iba-ibang course. This is UI UX design. They're learning about front end, stuff like that. Para siyang collaboration. 'Di ba? Sobrang saya lang. And then aside from it, you're gonna be din, having connections with developers. Like, it's an opportunity to connect, 'di ba? So, yeah, so that's the weekly design challenge. So, since it's an offline challenge, kasi yung mga ide-design nyo is ipo-post nyo siya dito sa Discord. Meron tayong specific or special Discord channel for that sa UI UX. Doon nyo siya ilalagay. And then, on our session this Sunday or every Sunday rather, we're gonna dedicate 30 minutes for a live feedback session. So, ano siya ha? This is every Sunday. We're gonna choose 5 designs and we're gonna dedicate 6 minutes of our time to review to review each design or the chosen designs live. So, since ano nga lang siya, since 5 designs nga lang yung mapipili natin, you don't have to worry kasi we're gonna leave reviews pa din naman dun sa mga nag-submit ng designs to the channel. So, you don't have to worry about it because we value your design and your effort. Syempre, it's not easy to do weekly design challenge. So, we're still gonna leave reviews and alam naman natin that feedbacks and reviews is very important if you want to become a good designer or developer. So, ayun, yun yung design challenge natin. So, for the top 3 best UI UX mentees, this is for overall. So, that's for the UI UX session, for the 12 sessions. You're gonna be receiving a certificate, special reward that's gonna be to be announced. So since special siya, so I'm expecting that it's not just a like common lang. So I think for like mga ganun, yung mga we don't know, baka may sponsorships like the Kibs and all of that. Oh, nagpaparinig. And then you can get featured on our socials, which is very important. Kahit ganyan lang yan. Like, yung get featured and all of that. Kasi connecting with other people is very important. And lalo-lalo na if you're just starting. So in order for you to connect with different opportunities, connect with people and like mga ganyan. So you have to be on the spot. So that's the purpose why we always promote your socials. And last, we have our UI UX design sprint. So are you familiar with design sprint? So for the challenge will start on Monday. So we're gonna post the form tomorrow. So sino dito familiar with design sprint? Specifically for UI UX design. Can you chat here sa stage chat natin? Because I wanna know if you're familiar about it. Ayun, madami palang familiar. So design sprint, it's gonna be like parang hackathon siya. But nagde-design kayo. And then at the same time, you're doing user research. So, kung wala kayong knowledge about it or you don't know anything about it yet, you don't have to worry kasi we're here for you and we're gonna help you. Sobrang saya niya actually. So, yeah, so you have to watch out for it. We're gonna have the design sprint, our first ever design sprint here sa FWDP. So, if this is your first design sprint, this is a very good opportunity to learn and to have hands-on experience. Then, okay. So, ang naisip namin na price dito is free passes on paid UI UX webinars and many more. So, these UI UX webinars, there are lots of webinars actually na hindi free, pero yung knowledge na makukuha mo dun is very, alam mo yun, parang it's something that you can't just get for free. Parang ganun. So, yes, that's our UI UX design sprint reward. And sa rules naman, we're gonna attach it directly to the registration forms na ayun nga, ipo-post namin sa mga socials ng FWDP. Okay, so yeah, let's dive next to ay break na pala 'to. So, do you have any questions pala muna before we take our break? This is our first break. So, do you have any questions about specifically for the design challenge, yung mga design sprints, and all of that? Tapos sa mga rewards din. If you have any questions, let's do it. Let's answer it before our break. 'Pag na-miss po ba ng seminar, hindi na po ba eligible sumali? Aling seminar ba? Etong if you miss the podcast session, you can still join the design challenge. But we encourage you to always attend the podcast session because The difference kasi in UI UX kasi it's not just all about designing lang. So our podcast session, we're gonna talk on how to design for people and how to design with logic. Yun yung specific topics na i-prioritize natin sa podcast natin. So it's hard to design when you don't know how to make a good design. So if you participate for both our weekly design challenge and you participate with our podcast sessions, it's like you hit like two opportunities, free opportunities, 'di ba? So mas maganda talaga na you join both. Paano nga po ba uli mag-join? So in order to join our design challenge, design sprint, we're just gonna be posting a registration form on our FWDP socials. So please watch for it. And we're gonna be posting it tomorrow. We don't have a specific time yet, but it's just to be sure it's October 30 on our FWDP social. So it's gonna contain the registration form, the link, and your Menti ID na ginawa ng layout ni Pao. So, yeah. So, start na po ba? Start na yung podcast natin but the design challenge, it will start on Monday. Do you have a duration sa challenge? Like, aabot po ba na more than 1 month yung challenge? So, our design challenge, it will, like, the duration for it, hanggat meron tayong nung 12 sessions, hanggang we are currently having our 12 sessions podcast, yun yung duration ng monthly challenge, weekly challenge natin. For the 100 days of code, you can ask or approach directly to our coding masters or coding mentors for that. And yung weekly design challenge, magsa-start siya on Monday. Okay? So, please have your UI UX badge para makita nyo yung specific channel for it on our roles channel here on our Discord. So if you have any questions, like questions na naiisip nyo lang after this session, you can message me directly here in Discord. Okay? I will reply naman din. Sa design challenge po ba, di ba, it will be a collaboration with the devs mentee. Pwede po ba na makipag-collaborate din po sa kanila in coding? For that, that would be up to the devs mentee. Pero just want to ano lang na yung credits nun for the devs, I mean for the coding, dun sa devs mentee siya. For the design, it's gonna be sa'yo. Kasi you are the designer and they are the developer. So, okay naman makipag-collaborate as lang the devs mentee. Pero yun nga, the credit will go to the devs. Duration and design sprint, we haven't really have a final talk about it, but we are thinking of doing like 1 week, 7 days lang siya. Paano pag bago pala sa designing? Ayun, if you're new to designing and you are here ngayon, I want to say congratulations for taking the step and to learning some more things about UI UX design. So if you're starting to designing, we're gonna have topics about it on our podcast session, and we're gonna help you venture on your UI UX design. Ang dami palang question. Gumawa ng project based on a real world scenario. Yes, actually, yan yung gagawin natin for our weekly design challenge. More on real world scenario talaga siya. Kasi yung gusto natin dito, is knowledge and experience na pwede nating magamit when we are already working sa industry mismo. And especially if you're gonna be working with like professionals. Yeah, for our session, we're gonna be using Figma. Pag magde-design na tayo, we're gonna be using Figma. So you can search for it. Figma is a very great software. Usually, ito na yung ginagamit ng mga companies when you want to do web and mobile design. Menti ID, it's like a mentor card. Yung nakita niyong post dun sa FWDP, parang gano'n siya. And a-attach namin siya dun sa registration form. Anong oras po 'to sa Monday? So yeah, we're gonna be sending the weekly design challenge prompt on Monday around mga 8 AM. So yeah, please have the UI/UX badge talaga because if you don't have the badge, hindi niyo siya makikita. Pero pero even if we're gonna use Figma, there are still times na siguro gagamit tayo ng Miro, if you're familiar with that. That's also similar to Figma, but it's also a good thing to use. Yes, beginner friendly talaga 'to. So, you don't have to worry about it. 100% beginner friendly. Okay, so what else? Saan po makikita yung UI/UX na role? I'm gonna send you the link here. Teka lang, ah. Verification. Yes, anyone from the FWDP team here na puwede mag-send nung ano, channel link for the UI/UX role, please?
Dito.
Yeah,
Ayan.
can you ano,
Ayan,
kasi hindi ko
na-paste na sa
makita.
post.
Kita na? Ayun, thank you so much for that. Please have the UI/UX role so that you can see the challenge and kasi kapag hindi niyo siya nilagay, hindi niyo siya makikita. Okay? Alright. Yeah, this session is recorded. For the e-certificates, we don't have e-certificates per session, but we have certificates for the whole session. So, alright, and what's next? So the session for UI/UX, it's 6 to 8 p.m. every Sunday. This is the online session or the podcast. Yeah, so for other UI/UX questions, we're gonna be talking about it in the next sessions na. Kasi we're gonna introduce you to UI/UX design talaga in a beginner-friendly way, so you don't have to worry about it. If you're thinking na like, I don't have any experience pa, don't worry, this is the special or the perfect place for you, okay? Hindi tayo walang ano dito, FWDP is a community na we encourage you to ask para you can learn lots of things. Yeah, Monday, 8 AM in PH time. Tutorial for Figma, yes. We will also do that. Figma tutorials, yung mga ano lang, beginner-friendly tutorials, yung mga hindi complicated, pero very important. So, that's gonna be on our next sessions because today's session is dedicated for our orientation lang talaga muna. Because syempre, we want you to know that this session, hindi lang siya about, like talking lang, but it's also about lots of things, experience, opportunities, and all of that. Yes, that's the UI/UX channel. We're gonna be customizing it for our weekly design challenge. So, naku, huwag kayong mag-alala kung wala kayong experience or zero experience, okay? Ano lang tayo dito. Actually, this podcast, ano siya? Anong tawag dun? Not like conversational siya. So, if you wanna say anything, just feel free to talk. Maganda 'to kasi what if papasok ka sa isang company as dev tapos wala silang UI/UX designer, then points sa'yo if you have experience in UI. Magshe-share niyo din po ba yung mga ginagawa po ng UI/UX designer? Yep, yes, we can share din mga stuffs na ginagawa talaga ng UI/UX designer on the industry talaga. Kasi iba pa din talaga if you are already working on the industry and if you're just studying pa. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so let's cater questions for until 7:10 p.m. And then we're gonna take a break muna. And then we can go ahead with our further discussions pa. Ayun, excited na ba kayo sa Figma? Sino na ba yung mga nafi-Figma dito? Kahit ano lang, kahit kaka-start lang, pero nagfi-Figma na talaga. Ayun, dami naman pala, eh. Or do you use other software ba like Adobe XD, mga gano'n? Photoshop, interesting, ah. Naku, it's normal na kabahan kayo or like yung sa weekly design challenge, normal lang na parang nahihiya kayong i-share yung design niyo kasi what if hindi siya maganda? What if hindi siya like you're gonna compare your design to other designers, mga gano'n. Like parang naiisip mo na, "Pangit naman ng design ko, parang nakakahiya naman siyang i-share." I just wanna let you know that it's part of growth and on our community, hindi namin hindi like we don't do that here, kumbaga. So, kahit newbie ka pa, we take value of your effort and your willingness to learn. So, wag kayong mahihiya. Kasi kung mahihiya kayo, you're losing the opportunity to have free feedbacks from our designers here. Kasi hindi lang ako yung UI UX dito. We have other professional designers here. Okay? So, wag kayong mahihiya. Sabit lang talaga kayo. Kasi kung hindi niyo ipo-post yung design niyo diyan, you're gonna lose the opportunity to like receive a free feedback. Lalong-lalo na yung feedback. Feedback is very important for us designers kasi dun natin nakikita yung mga flaws ng design natin. So, wag kayong mahihiya about that, okay? Beginner friendly tayo. Front-end dev kukunin ko. Kasama ko ba yung Figma designs ko as portfolio? Puwede naman. It's all up to you talaga how you're gonna like, lay out your portfolio. Experience ko lang sa Figma is yung binibigay ng designer for me to implement. Sorry, natawa ko dun sa pengi ng karakter. Okay lang yan guys, kahit zero experience, you're welcome here. Okay, so yep. So, yung Figma Pro, if you have your Edu email, please check it out because madami siyang perks. So, lalong-lalo sa mga students diyan, check out the perks nung Figma kapag student ka. Software do I use para makagawa ng wireframes? I use Figma lang talaga. Pero I use extensions para easy lang siya. Pero yeah, we're gonna talk about it naman. So, wala kayong kailangan i-worry about that. Ayan. We're gonna talk about prototyping and wireframing. Ayun, ano na pala, 7:11 na pala. So, we're gonna have a break muna. Pwede ba magpatugtog dito sa stage? We're gonna have one song break siguro. Can you please play a song? Tapos, while we are on our break, I want you to dedicate the time kung wala naman kayong ibang ginagawa. It's gonna like a promotion na din. Let's connect session natin. So, eto nga pala yung namin, LinkedIn namin ni Pauline. Here's our QR code for our LinkedIn. And I want you to promote and introduce yourself to the community. I want you to share your socials on the stage chat. And I want you to connect with each other during our break session. Kasi don't want you to be Shy, gusto ko makipag-connect kayo with your fellow designers because more connections equals more doors of opportunities, inspiration, and learning. O, 'di ba? Lalo-lalo na sa mga naghahanap ng work dyan or freelance projects, it's your time na to connect with other people here. Ayan. So, lapag nyo yan dun sa may channel tayo na LinkedIn here on FWDP, and you can also drop your socials here sa chat mismo. Yeah, so guys, please do it. And mag-break muna tayo here. One song break. Asa na yung parody ni John Dev? Patugtugin daw natin. Paano ba yun, founder? How do you play it here on stage?
Guys, ano tayo ngayon, DJ ngayon tayo. Teka, try ko mag-share screen, pre.
DJ
Patugtugin
Jen.
natin. DJ, DJ Jen. Wait lang, pre, to.
Sige ko.
Ayan guys,
Break muna
actually,
tayo. One song break. Or two.
pre, ako
Go.
muna mag-share screen, pre. Hindi ako makapag-share screen.
Sige.
Yan.
The stage is yours.
Ako na yung bida ngayon, guys. Alright. Ayan, si Marvin Barrios. Connect kayo kay Marvin Barrios. Ayan, load natin, guys. Actually, ito din si John Dev. Isa siyang TikTok personality. Mentor ni Kiara sa Laravel. Ayan. So, ito. Actually, wait lang. May sinend na link si si John Dev. Ayan. Baka, sino na nakakilala kay John Dev, guys? Wait lang. Mali yata, kinopya ko. Kinopya ko yung sarili kong link. Ito, guys. Dinig ba, guys? Enjoy, guys.
Nag-IT ako Milano, Python at Java agad tinuro. Ako'y talagang nabaliw. Tapos yung feeling depressing. Maiiyak ka na lang bigla. Sorry, wala na akong magagawa. Naaning na ako ng sobra-sobra. Wala na tayong no choice, diba? Tapos na ang aking kinabukasan. Java, Python, C#, data structure pa. May OOP at database pa na kasama. Madali daw sa iba, kung ganon sa kanila mo pagawa. Pinaiyak ka ng code sa Java. Sabi ng seatmate mo sa program mamaw siya. Kaso nga lang, minimemorize lang naman niya. Di ba dapat iniintindihan? Bukang tapos na ang aking kinabukasan. Java, Python, C#, data structure pa. May OOP at database pa na kasama. Madali daw sa iba, kung ganon sa kanila mo pagawa. I'm 24 years old, pero mukha na tuloy akong Tapos na ang aking kinabukasan. Java, Python, C#, data structures pa. May OOP at database pa na kasama. Madali daw sa iba, may Rizal at PE kang iisipin. At dagdag problema, feeling medyo na mga subject yan. Mas okay din mag-memorize ng sinta. Akala mo ay tapos na, kaso may capstone pa palang nakaabang. Kahit na hirap mag-code, may paraan. Pag ako biglang nagka-code ay ChatGPT. Kahit na hirap mag-code, may paraan.
Kahit hirap mag-code, may paraan. Let's give it up for, guys, palakpakan nyo naman si John Dev. Meron ba dito guys Ay, wala na pala. Doon na pala yan sa TikTok na guys. Wait lang, pre. Ang dev concept pala to. Kaya nga may pa-curtain si guys. Kaya nga may pa-curtain si Kiara, guys. Oh, kaya yan, pre. Kahit anong trip mo. Mentor AJ. O, CS Byte. May matagat yung CS Byte dito. Ayan. So, ito din. Programming. Ito, umay. Pre. Next. Go. Dinig ba, guys? 10 minutes to. Tamang 10 minutes na break to, Every Sunday yung session parents.
Debug na naman. May error kasi akong nakikita pulang-pula. Gusto ko magwala. Gusto ko magwala. Ngayon nagdebug ako sa aming comlab. Di ko na mag-fix ang bagat. Inis na ako sa semicolon to. Nagdebug ako sa aming comlab. Di ko na mag-fix ang bagat. Inis na ako sa semicolon to. Umay, mukhang tapos na yung kaklase kong mamaw na maprogram. Umay, matrip na naman. Di niya kasi ako pinakopya ng code niya. Gusto ko magwala. Gusto ko magwala. Ngayon nagdebug ako sa aming comlab. Di ko na ma-fix ang bagat. Inis na ako sa semicolon to. Nagdebug ako sa aming comlab. Di ko na magwala. Gusto ko magwala. Ngayon nagtibag ako sa aming kumlang. Di ko na ma-fix ang bagat inis na ako. Semikolong to. Nagtibag ako sa aming kumlang. Di ko na ma-fix ang bagat inis na ako. Sa semikolong to. Nagtibag ako sa aming kumlang. Di ko na ma-fix ang bagat inis na ako. Sa semikolong to. Sa semikolong to.
Ayun guys. Kamusta kayo guys? Ayan. Pabalikin niyo na po yung audience. 156 na lang tayo. Hi guys, kumusta? Okay lang po ba ako manghingi ng schedule in every sessions na ginagawa ni FW? Okay lang guys, okay lang Gene P. Meron tayong events tab na pwede nyo i-check. Okay? Doon po yung ano. Ilang minutes daw sabi ni Kiara?
Yung break,
Ilang minutes? Oo.
2 songs.
Ayun. Tapos na pala guys. Diyos ko naman. Songs pala guys. Ayan. Sige. I'll give the floor back to Kiara. But before that, kamusta ang break nyo guys? Kayo ba ay gano'n na? May kinuha na ba kayong kape? May kinuha na ba kayong snacks? Because this is going to be a fun night. Alright? Inaayos yung recording. Ano nangyari sa recording natin, pre? Nagdebug ako sa aming comlab. Nox naman. Di akin yan. Oh my God. Di pala ako nakamute?
Naku
Wala
po.
po.
Bago na tayong soundboard.
No. Hala.
New soundboard.
Hala. Gagi. Ay, sorry. Di ako nagmura, guys. I can explain. Gagi is not amura, ha? Pero guys, please. Oo, kayo sa akin, guys. Dami na problema sa buhay. Anyway, ayan. Write that down. Alright, guys. So, excited na ba kayong bumalik si Kiara? Ibalik ang curtain. Type nyo nga ibalik ang curtain kung gusto nyo makita ulit ang presentation. Presentation ni Kiara. Guys,
Tutuwa talaga ako sa curtain na to.
Ako na naman, Gen Z term lang yan. Yan naman!
Grabe.
Yan!
Ayun, balik na natin,
Okay.
balik na natin.
Balik na natin. Pagbigyan natin yung request nila, Kiara. Ibalik! Ibalik! Yan naman!
Ayun na siya.
Ayan na siya, guys. Loading pa. Yan!
Nakakortina no? Transition powered by Figma. Ay,
Yan.
sorry. Canva pala. Wrong
Ayan,
software.
Nadilulo na tayo pa eh. Nadilulo na.
Canva
Uy,
pa
Mark.
pala tayo, guys.
Ano yan, Mark?
Okay. So, ayan na yung cortina natin. Our magic curtain. May ano to eh. Teka lang. Are you ready for the transition? Charot. Akala ko talaga sobrang ganda ng transition na to eh. Okay, so since our first episode is puro kumustahan siya and orientation, Okay, chill muna tayo guys, hindi muna tayo magbabatak sa design. Reserve your creative juices for our next sessions and our weekly design challenge kasi ayun, kailangan natin 'yan, okay? Ngayon chill muna tayo, let's get to know each other. Maganda din kasi if we're comfortable and we know each other para masaya yung session natin, gano'n. Vibes, vibes lang, okay? So, ayun, ah, hala, ayaw ng bumukas. Ayun, epic fail. Okay. Transition 100. Sumabit yung kurtina, okay. Meron pa yang ibang transition dito. Oh, we have the mic drop. Also have the spider, ganyan. Ewan ko, nakakatuwa lang. Okay, so natutuwa lang ako sa ano, mga AI, pakulo ng Canva. So eto
Yan
yung
ang
kanina we have
pinakanakakatuwang move to pre. Hold nga ng move to pre.
multo. Ay
Okay na
nawala.
guys. Yan. By the way
Ang
guys, sa November
cute.
1, meron tayong movie marathon ha. Horror movie guys. Ayan, sa chill one tayo mag-uusap-usap. Sige, back to you, Kiara.
Okay, sige. Natuwa masyado sa ano 'no. Alright, so since ayun nga, as I've mentioned earlier, this is kumustahan and orientation. Kanina, break lang yon yung mga pinadrop ko sa inyo yung LinkedIn niyo for connections. Eto naman, we're gonna have our get to know session. 'Di ba? We're gonna ask you to share your details on the stage chat with the following: your nickname and pronouns, level of expertise, 1 to 5, in general to in design. So if you have graphics design experience or any design related experience, please share it here. And what do you want to learn? Your expectations on this session. Eto, your favorite design tool. And share fun fact about you as a designer and your pet peeve as a designer. So I encourage everyone to chat it here on our stage chat. So yes, please chat it here. And meron tayong ikaw ang star. Naks. May Halloween pa pero may pa-Christmas na. So we're gonna be opening the stage for those who want to volunteer and gustong i-share yung nilagay nila sa chat. Okay? So, the purpose dito kasi designers, we need to connect with other designers to learn opportunities and other growths, 'di ba? So, kasi we learn from each other kasi, 'di ba? Kaya ayan, it's your time to share na details about you and malay mo, you're gonna like dito pala yung ano, if you're looking for a job, nandito pala yung puwedeng mag-hire sa'yo if you share your details. So, please share it na, and it doesn't have to be long. It's ano lang, straightforward but at the same time meaningful. Char, meaningful. Okay, so ayan, I'm gonna give you the time. True, malay ma-hire kayo sa startup. Actually, dito sa FWDP, meron ng mga na-hire na mga meron ng na-hire for from someone din. Founder is a good example because as far as I can remember, he was hired by a fellow FWDP din. Like, not hire, but let's say, ang tawag dun? I forgot the term. Recommended. Ayun. Being recommended is a bonus talaga. So, yep, recommended. If you are recommended kasi by someone, kahit na you don't have experience, it's a plus kasi for those na nag-hire. Kasi if someone recommends you, that means that that person knows that you're capable of the job, of the vacant responsibility, job responsibility sa company. So yeah, and aside from founder, meron pa talagang iba. And kung hindi man direct sa client, mga freelance projects, we have lots here sa community. So, wag na kayong mahiya and share the details here. So, lalong-lalo na sa mga ano diyan, students, lalong-lalo sa students na it's very hard talaga to get a job. So, kahit pa freelance project muna tayo, okay lang 'yan. It's an experience. And aside from earning money, experience is very important. Kaya share niyo na 'yan here and yeah, I'll give you time, of course. Paano 'pag ballpen at papel ang ginagamit pang design? Actually, there's no limit in creativity. So, I believe there are things na you can do kahit ballpen lang at papel gamit mo as a designer. So, ayan guys, share nyo na yan. I see several people typing. Yeah, kahit wireframe na lang. There are actually jobs na tagagawa ka ng wireframe. I know someone who worked lang sa wireframes, tas binibigay niya yun sa designer. So, literal na wireframe lang talaga. Like, kahit gray lang yan, black and white, walang color and all of that. They just ask you the wireframe, then bibigay mo siya sa designer, and then ayun. So, yeah, there's like hindi siya impossible to get a job na nagwa-wireframe ka lang, but you don't have to design it na ano. There's a job for that. Ayun. So, we got here 30. Siya yung nauna. So, I'm gonna like until 7:40. Tapos we're gonna ask for someone to volunteer to speak here and share what they wrote on the chat. Okay? So, it's your time to shine. Kaganon. Yes, please share kasi ano, for connections. And also, if you share kasi these stuffs, it will also help us like identify what topics we are gonna be talking on our next session. So it's a win-win situation. Benefit siya for you and it's also benefit for us para alam namin kung ano yung mga i-discuss namin for the next sessions. So hanggang 7:40 tayo ah. Huwag na kayong mahiya guys. Hi founder,
Ayan,
welcome back. Baka while sharing, you have
grabe.
anything to share. Baka gusto mo din i-share yung ano mo.
Grabe, guys. Ayun, so, guys, kung meron palang ano, hindi na tayo mapipili nito. Ayan. So, kung meron pala sa inyong marunong mag-edit ng videos, TikTok, yeah, so we're going to dominate in those platforms as well. Pati YouTube sana, guys, kung ano. Nandito pa ba si Revo? Revo, nandito ka pa ba? Eh, si Nilmar pala from MSUIT, so he's one of the real editors. Pero, yun din pati si Revo. So, if you wanna join yung mag-edit ng mga TikTok and YouTube, volunteer to baka mag-expect kayo ng sahod. Ayun. So, for the community and for students and career shifters, so, yeah, feel free to approach either me or Kiara kasi si Kiara din kasi yung magiging boss nito at si Pau. So, yeah. Ayan, para may kasama din si Nilmar, guys. Yung mga reels natin, si Nilmar, si Rev yung gumawa. So, yeah, that's one. Another is, of course, community. So, palagi naman kami nakatambay dito every night. Actually, may morning shift, may day shift, may mid shift, may night shift, tapos may graveyard shift. So, pili na lang kayo doon. Yung morning shift, actually, joke lang yun hindi siya seryoso. It's more like a tradition sa FWDP. Morning shift is, naglululofi sila, nagme-music, they do their stuff, nag-aakads, nag-grind, gumagawa ng app sila, ganyan. That's the morning shift. So, para wala masyadong nag-uusap na, more like music, they share their music together, their likes, pero walang umiimik halos. Pero pwede naman mag-usap, kasi doon ko lang din nakakausap yung nag-push sa akin 'no, yung nag-recommend ng company sa akin 'no, si Humphrey, si Hudson Stewart, na tropa din ni John din. And then night shift. So yung night shift is like this one 'no, so we share our experiences, our insights, doon na nag-uusap-usap 'no, doon na, kumbaga warming pa lang yon sa pagbabardag. Yan si ano, tulad kahapon, kagabi, may orientation sa Laravel cult. Ayun, may
Opo.
orientation sa Laravel cult. Oo. Tapos siyempre yung graveyard, ayan, isa na dun si Christian Dev, from Student PH. Yeah, so graveyard shift, yun na, bardagulan na yun. So siyempre wala na sa wisyo yun para mag-usap ng matino. So bardagulan, kwentuhan, biruan. Of course, we like to know you better din. So the Bardagulan sessions is a great way to para malaman niyo ang tunay na ugali ng tao 'no. Kasi ano na 'yan, antok ka talaga nun. Ano pa ba? Ang dami naman nawala sa wisyo. Ay naku, buti na lang di ako graveyard 'no, sira. Lasing na mga tao dun. Ayan, pero masaya si graveyard shift because usually, aside from the talks, aside from talking with each other, we watch movies, we play games 'no, yung Conquer kahit nahilo ako, para lang makasama ko sila. Yung mga spellcast games, yung mga games, yung Gartic Phone, ganyan. So we play those games. Yeah, para to have fun. So this committee is very much open, very much active na yung Discord natin. So please hang out every night. Ayan. Dagdag na rin sa ranking points yun for the level 20 goal. No? Sige. Nagtuturo din ako bigla random. Yan, si John Dev. Nagtuturo siya bigla random. Wala pinipiling oras si John Dev. Ayan. And then minsan ako din nag-sharing din kami, nag-sharing din ako learnings ko. Actually, pwede rin yung parang we can learn with each other. For example, sharing of insights, ganun. For example, myself, I'm learning new stuff. Like, I'm currently learning Svelte, Tailwind CSS. So, you can join me in that journey, guys. No? Siguro Laravel din. Hindi ba si Sugar Plum? So, yun. Uh, Natutulog pa ba kayo habang nagko-code? Oo, pre. Yan
Totoo
ang
yan.
habang ay guys, 7:40 na pala na kaya mo. So yun guys, so panghuling note, we are always active here and ayun, so open kami for YouTube if you wanna if you wanna volunteer sa video editor. Ano lang yun, parang simpleng trimming lang yun guys. Tapos upload. Pero syempre dapat nakasunod sa branding natin. Ayan. Titingin naman si Kiara. Sige, Kiara, the floor is yours again.
Sige. Thank you for that, founder, for the short ads. Pa-ads. So, ang daming nag-share dito and it's very interesting to read. Kasi eto, sinisave ko 'to sa Word because, yun nga, it also helps us to identify what topics na pwede nating i-tackle for our next sessions. And so, ayun. So, since ang napag-usapan is we're gonna have someone to volunteer and speak here on stage and share kung ano yung nilagay nila dun sa chat. So, may gusto bang mag-volunteer diyan? Anyone here? 'Pag ano, babasahin mo lang yung ano, shinare mo. Yun lang, that's it. Paano ba 'to? How do you ayun, hi Noah.
Hello po. Am I audible po?
Ayun, yes. So, yeah, feel free to own the stage and share what you wrote.
Yes
We're
po.
here
Thank you po.
to listen. Sige, go.
Hello po. I am Nomark S. De La Peña from Pulso MSC and Post Organization po. And my nickname is Noah po and my pronouns is he or him po. Then for my level of expertise po, ang ano po kasi ko on self-study lang po kasi ako and usually nakakapag-design lang po ako kapag may mga projects po kami. So for example po ay meron po kaming system na kailangan po i-develop. Ako po usually naka-task, naka-assign po sa UI/UX designing po. So, medyo late bloomer rin po kasi I think 3rd year na po ata ako nakapagsimula and ngayon 4th year po ako. And ayun po, so ang mga level of expertise ko po is maybe 3 or 4 po, gano'n. And what do you want to learn po? So sa akin po, ang gustong-gusto ko po talagang malaman po or matutunan po ngayon is yung kung paano po gumagalaw po yung isang UI/UX designer sa isang company po. Kasi alam ko po na ibang-iba po talaga yung ano, yung ginagawa po talaga ng UX ng isang designer po sa isang company compared po dun sa personal na projects lang po. So for example po sa tingin niyo po ay or sa tingin ko po ay maganda na nagawa ko pero sa company po pala ay hindi pa po pala siya pasok sa standards. So ayun po, gusto ko lang po malaman kung what is good or kung ano po yung mga puwede ko pong ma-improve para po makapasok po ako sa standard sa industry po, ayan po. So, ayun sa expectations nga po yun is, ayun nga po matutunan ko po yung kung paano po ma-improve yung ano po, skills ko po sa designing and yung matutunan ko nga po yung mga ways po inside or sa industry po. So, for my favorite design tool po, so, marami pa po kasi akong nagamit na mga design tools while practicing po. Pero ang pinaka-most use ko po and yung favorite ko po talaga is Figma po. Kasi sobrang dami po niyang plugins na puwede niyo pong magamit. And marami yung sa community rin po kasi ng Figma, sobrang ganda po and sobrang marami niyo pong makikitang mga design inspirations and other designs po from other ano po designer. So, gumagamit rin po ako ng Photoshop. So, usually naman po ginagamit ko lang po 'yun kapag yung may kailangan po akong design na i-edit pa or gawin po myself. Tapos po, gumagamit rin po ako minsan ng ano, Adobe Illustrator pero bihirang-bihira lang po 'yun. Tapos minsan po gumagamit rin ako ng mga other apps like Miro pero minsan lang rin po talaga. So, Figma po talaga yung most used ko and favorite ko po talaga. So, one fun fact about you as a designer. So, ayun po, katulad ng sinulat ko do'n or tinype ko po kanina. So, I usually tend to ano, create napakaraming versions po ng isang for example po gumagawa po ako isang landing page. Gumagawa po ako ng sobrang daming versions po and sa huli po talaga after mga 1 day or 2 days po, babalik rin po talaga ako do'n sa ano, sa unang design ko po. Which is napaka-ironic po, nagpakahirap po ako sa iba pero sa unang design pa rin po ako na bumabalik or mga pangalawa po gano'n. Basta po, usually bumabalik po ako sa mga early na designs ko po kasi I think na mas okey po 'yun sa iba. So, my pet peeve po or kung ano po yung pinakaayaw ko po talaga as a designer. So, unang-una po yung sa inconsistency po. So, di ko pa alam kung inis na inis po talaga kapag nakakita po ako ng ano, parang nati-trigger yung OCD ko po kapag nakakita po ako ng mga inconsistent. So, especially po yung sa ano po, accent po sa mga colors. So, kapag yung sobrang daming colors po na ginagamit, talaga pong sumasakit yung mata ko. And lalong-lalo na rin po sa fonts, kapag yung improper po yung mga fonts na ginagamit po. Tapos isa na rin po yung, nangyari na rin po kasi 'to during our research po. Ah, in-assign po nila ako as a designer pero, binabago po nila bigla yung design ko ng hindi po nagpapaalam sa'kin or di man lang po nagsasabi. So, ayun, medyo, hindi rin po maganda kasi po, medyo nakakainis rin po kasi, pinaghirapan niyo po yun tapos, bigla lang po nilang babaguhin. So, iyon po sa'kin. Thank you po.
Oh, no, thank you so much for sharing, ha. And yep, so meron pa bang gustong mag-volunteer here? So yung mga ano, mga expectations mo, we'll do our best to like share the things na matutunan nyo here sa session natin. So is anyone still wants to volunteer to be here sa stage? Wag na kayong mahiya, guys. Just raise your hand and then eto, wait lang. Ayun, how do you
Ano po?
ano
Audible
ba
ba
'to?
ako?
I think I don't have the power. Ayun. Yes, hi Zyra. And yeah, 30, you're next. And Hershey.
Ah, ano po? Hi, I'm John Forbulyag and you can call me Zyro or Zai. And mostly, mga 2 months lang ako dito sa Discord. And my level of expertise is 2 or 3. Depende kasi I am a second year computer science and then generalize yung ninilearn namin, especially marami kaming math. So, wala pa akong expertise talaga. So, what do you want to learn is, ang gusto ko maano po is yung mga color principle when it comes to designing po, especially kung black yung gamitin, then dapat mas siya, lighter siya. And then, nag-learn din po ako ng Figma sa Transylvania sa YouTube lang din. Then, pero a creative design pero hindi talaga siya as in maganda yung design. And then the expectation is yun matutunan ko lahat yung mga design na kailangan ko kasi every final project then is ako yung all-rounder. Kumbaga ako yung programmer which is I'm also a front end and the back end po. Then yung the rest ng mga group ko is they are ready in the documentation and then for the introduction of introducing our system. And then the favorite design tool is Canva, and then yun Canva, PixArt, and then yung Figma. And then one one fun fact about you as a designer, okay lang po ba mag-share pa ako ng design ko dito? About sa one fact about design po is, nag-enjoy po ako pero usually nalilito ako kung paano ko siya i-design. Usually ginagawan ko pa siya ng wireframe bago ako mag-code. Kasi mahirap na pag once nagkamali yung design mo, especially pag website yung gagawin is papalit ka talaga ng design na abutin ka ng ilang hours. And then next is pet peeve as a designer. I'm not hindi pa ako hilig sa pet and hindi ako mahilig sa pet pero mahilig ako sa coffee. And that's all po.
Yeah, do you wanna share your design ba? Pwede
Okay.
ka na mag-share screen.
Ay. Actually, nag-ano pa ako ngayon eh. Kita po ba?
Yes, kita naman. Yeah, you
Ito
can
po
tell
yung
them.
web niya.
Mhm.
Bali, e-commerce po to then ano pa lang po, mga 2 weeks pa lang din po. Wala pa siyang backend. That's why mina-maximize ko talaga siya when it comes responsive design. Ano po, size. Then yung the rest of project po is usually sa Java, GUI, mga ganito po, mga hmm, ito po yung system namin last year sa first year. And yun yung mga project ko po.
Ay,
Yun lang po about all. Thank
having
you.
the courage to share it. Okay, so guys, huwag kayong mag-alala. We have a Q&A session. Okay, so on the session din. So, reserve your questions here. So, ngayon, ano muna tayo, getting to know. So, who's next? Hershey or 30? Nakalimutan ko agad sino yung susunod. Yeah, thank you so much for sharing, So, 30, do you wanna go first?
Sige, ako na lang po. Hi
Sige.
everyone! So yun nga, I'm Rods, or 30. And when it comes to designing as a whole, hindi lang necessarily like web apps or like apps. So I would say my expertise is too, since I've had experience in Photoshop and Canva, in making works, mga ganun. So what I expect here is that, what I want is I want to learn how to design engaging and inclusive applications. Kasi I think most na inisip ng mga tao lang is yung pagandahan ng design, pa wow, impact. Pero gusto ko rin yung ano talaga, apps na why would people want to interact with your app? How do you make it easy for them? And especially for people na may maghihirap siguro, example for the blind, for the color blindness, mga ganun. So it's nice to be able to create apps for them then. And what I'm expecting here is that, of course, I would learn a lot from the fundamentals of designing UI UX, and also, of course, to some specialized information. And currently, my favorite design tool is Adobe Photoshop, especially when may hirap yung gagawin. Pero pag na-happy ka sa time, like nagmamadali, so of course, Canva na lang, di ba? Or kahit Paint nga. So, most of my design experience revolves around making memes of my friends actually. And if gusto nyo guys, pwede ko lang din i-forward sa chat na lang para makita nyo kasi nakakatawa din naman yung iba. And so lastly, my pet peeve as a designer is having yung mga non-compatible colors na it makes the text hard or painful to read. Like yung parang sobrang neon na like ang sakit na sa mata. So yun yung ayaw ko. So that's all po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing. So, yeah, Hershey, you can own the stage now.
Hello.
Oh,
Uh,
hello.
I'm Hershey. So, wait, nawala yung ano, yung sinulat ko. Ah, so, sa ano, tawag din. So for my pronouns, I'm she and her. So for my experience, I actually considered myself as one due to like experience within sa mga ano, like design. And so my expectations within this session, I would really want to learn how UX design is like, how I could implement it while I'm learning how to code, because I'm a very late bloomer. I'm still trying to learn how to code and other stuff, and I'm really interested in UX design since I've worked as a graphic design. And may one time na pinasok ako sa pag-handle ng, I think it was like WordPress, and me seeing na yung mga designs dun is like kailangan ko papalitan and other stuff, and there's a lot to learn within it. I really wanted to learn more. And now for my favorite design tool, uh I I I do Blender, Adobe After Effects, and other stuff like Photoshop when it comes to designing. And fun fact about me as a designer, I tend to implement more futuristic mga design, like yung mga bago within like this generation, and at the same time designs na more ano more more on human ano, like yung ma-understand ng tao talaga 'pag nakikita nila. And for pet peeve as a designer, I really I really get annoyed when I'm trying to find an error. Let's say, may dumi sa design ko, hahanapin ko pa kung saan na layer yun, gano'n. So, that's probably all.
Thank you, Hershey. Ang ganda ng Blender. I mean, the experience with using Blender, that's a good thing. Kasi a lot, like, it's an advantage din. 'Di ba? If you wanna share some of your works using Blender, pwede mong gawin yun dito on our chat. So, thank you so much for that. So, meron pa ba? We can have one more na magshe-share. Recorded din ang timeout. Ayun. Hi, Streamer Man.
Hello po.
Ayun.
Good evening
Ayun.
po.
Good evening din. So, yeah. The stage is yours.
Nickname ko po is ano, Balong po. Then, ano ba yung sunod? Yung level ng expertise ko po is siguro 3 lang po. Then yung gusto kong matutunan dito po is yung ano po yung parang ano po yung pinaka-meaning ng ano, UI, UX or ano yung mga usually na ginagawa dun. Kasi meron pong front end ta's yung UI, UX dun pa kasi nalilito, eh. So, pero based naman sa mga na-search ko, so yung UI, UX daw is parang more on design lang, walang code kumpara sa, front end na need talaga mag-code. So yung, expectation ko naman dito is sana maraming makilala and ano, connection din para sa future kasi mas maganda 'pag marami connection din daw. So yung favorite design tool ko is ano, sa ngayon kasi ano lang ako, eh, yung Illustrator. Di ko pa nata-try yung ano, yung Figma. Bale ang mostly kasi na ginagawa ko is ano lang, application. So, 'pag nagde-design ano na, dire-diretso na. Kumbaga wala ng tawag dito, yung mga Figma ganyan, talagang diretso na. Pero pagka may mga logo na ide-design or talagang need ng customized na design, sa Illustrator talaga ako. Then sa ano naman sa, fun fact about me as designers, yun yung parang, ako yung ano, eh, yung perfectionist na ano, na gusto ko dapat perfect na sa mata ko gano'n. Then ayoko ng kumukuha sa Google hindi naman literal na or lagi na kumukuha sa Google, parang pagka may gusto akong like mga logo ayoko ng kinukuha, eh. Kumbaga sariling gawa ko talaga. Hindi ko kasi trip 'pag ano, eh, 'pag feeling ko ano, ginaya ko lang. Then yung pet peeve ko is ayoko nung ano, yung okey na yan. Ayun lang po, thank you po.
Ayun. Thank you so much for that. So, Kyle? So, yeah. Since nandito na siya sa stage, ayun.
Hello po, audible po ba?
Yes, loud and clear naman.
Oh, hi everyone, I'm Kael. Micaela po yung full name ko pero Kael na lang. So for level of expertise, I'm rating myself 2. Pero I've been exposed sa graphic designing since I was a kid. Like a kid talaga. Parang kasi po yung father ko, he's mananahe. Tapos parang nagde-design na rin ako before. Tapos na-expose sa mga application. So I'm somewhat competent in designing in a way na nahasa ko na yung sarili ko na i-challenge yung creative juices ko.
Pero I'm committed to learning on how I could do it in platforms na pros use. Katulad po ni Kuya Noah kanina, gusto kong malaman kung paano nagwo-work yung UI UX professionally. Plus, I want to broaden and challenge my skills din. So, for expectations po, interactive and informative learning space. Feeling ko na, medyo nakampante naman ako kanina na interactive pa since yung mga explanations po nung introduction. So, for favorite design tool, medyo nakakakaba na umakyat dito sa stage kasi yung mga naunang nagsalita is meron ng experience with Adobe, Figma and other. Pero ako po kasi I lack the access sa mga ganong applications. So I'm currently enjoying using Canva Pro. Tapos ang favorite design ko tool dun is yung background remover and other background removers kasi ewan ko, nakakatuwang gumawa ng memes ng iba-iba pang designs using the background remover. So parang ang powerful niya lang for me. So, pet peeve as a designer, ay hindi, meron pa pala, one fun fact about me as a designer. Ito lang yung maganda sa akin. So, parang na-build ko na yung identity ko around designing. So, parang junior high, hindi pala, from elementary to senior high school, I've been asked or assigned na rin as a publications committee head, digital artist, tapos, ay, pet peeve as a designer, ginagalaw yung design without permission. So, I love facts. I love how I get the opinions of others about sa mga ginagawa ko kasi learning experience po sa akin yun. Pero yung pag gagalawin mo na yung design without asking permission dun sa mismong designer. Pero it's in a way it's disrespectful and rude. So yun. Yun lang naman po. Thank you.
Ayun, thank you so much for that, Kael. So, I just want to give an sa Canva. So, kasi nakikita ko kasi palagi yung mga memes about Canva designers. So, wag kayong mag-alala guys because I personally, ginagamit ko din yung Canva when I design on Figma. So, yun nga. So, wag kayong mahiya if you're using Canva kasi yun lang, lagi kong nakikita kasi yung mga memes against Canva designers. Yeah, there are actually lots of free resources sa Canva and one thing that I really love is their background remover. Yeah, that's correct. Wag niyo sabihin na Canva lang 'yan, hindi lang 'yan Canva. So, since nakita ko kasi na madami talagang nagka-Canva dito and don't worry, we're gonna utilize all the resources and tools na puwede natin gamitin to create a good design, okay? So, another thing din na ginagamit ko for Canva is yung mga stock photos niya. If, kahit na madaming mga websites for stock photos, sometimes you just don't really see it there. Parang, lalo na yung Canva ngayon na they have a feature for AI. Like, madali lang siya. Like, it's easy to use. If you haven't tried Canva, you should try it. Lalo na yung magic tools nila ngayon, like the Magic Expand, mga ganun. So most naman here student, so you can use your education email to avail the pro feature. So ayun lang, I just wanted to say that kasi dami talagang nagka-Canva and ayun. So yeah. So I believe okay na yun for our getting to know session. I hope you guys had fun. And yeah, this is an interactive session. So for the next session, interactive pa din talaga siya because we want you to be confident about your communication skills because as a designer, it's very important to know how to communicate what your design is. Okay, so what's next for here? Um, Let me go back to my Canva slide. Dapat sponsor tayo ng Canva eh, kasi charot. Pinopromote talaga natin yung Canva dito. So, okay pa ba kayo dyan? So, pa-chat nga if okay pa ba kayo diyan? Okay pa ba? Okay pa ba yung mga designers natin diyan? Ayun, live and well. Yeah, please don't be shy if you're using Canva. Kumbaga, kung kaya mo naman gamitin yung Canva to make your design good, wag mo na i-overkill by using other tools. Yun lang, work smart, 'di ba? Okay, so medyo overtime na tayo pero laban. This is our first session pa din naman. So, next, we actually have our icebreaker game. Do you wanna do it? Do you wanna have an icebreaker muna? Kasi after this, I'm gonna share about design accessibility or yun nga, design for people. Bakit nga ba I advocate for design for people? Ayun. So, yeah, mangyayari yan after this. So, we're gonna do a very quick icebreaker game kasi yung mga nag-share dito sa stage, I believe, ayun, may nabasa kasi ako na nagka-anxiety daw siya while saying or yeah, so mag-icebreaker muna tayo guys and then after this, we're gonna have our design talk on why I advocate for designing for people or UI/UX accessibility. So, yes, I'm an advocate for user-centered design talaga. So, this is an icebreaker game. So, nakikita nyo naman. I bet kilala nyo yung nasa Canva slide natin ngayon. Okay, so this is a very quick icebreaker game. I believe we can do this by mga 5 minutes. Ganon. So, I want you to find, di pa tayo magsa-start ha? I'll say kung magsa-start na tayo. Okay? So, I want you to find an image na kahawig ng person na 'to na nasa Canva slide natin. And i-share niyo siya dito sa chat using image or GIF. And make sure to please keep the chat wholesome and huwag kayong magpapaban kay Mi6 please. So, huwag kayong mag-spam kasi ayun, nangbaban si Mi6 dito eh. So, yeah, hanap lang kayo ng picture ng dog dito na hawig. Yeah, you can start now. Kasi, ayun nga, icebreaker muna tayo bago we dive into some design talks or quick design talks, kumbaga. Ano mo ano muna tayo? Dogs are very, like, therapy kasi siya eh, for me. Seeing pictures of dogs and cats, parang nakakatuwa. Ang cute naman yun. Founder, andiyan ka pa ba?
Nice. Dogs, basta sa akin lang, Kiara, dogs are cute.
Ayun, ang dami nilang
Dogs
meme,
are cute.
'di ba? Ang cute. Ang cute naman ng corgi. Lagi kong nakikita yung ano, yung dog na chihuahua. Eto yung ano, naka-side eye na dog. May ano pa talaga, may Facebook page pa talaga for ano, dogs na mga mukhang ewan. Ayun. Feel free to share lang your ano, your dog until 8:15 p.m. And then after that, we're gonna have a quick design talk. Or ano lang, teaser lang. Sure, teaser. Ayun, 8:15 PM na and I hope naman na na-relax kayo diyan or na-entertain sa mga dogs and cats and dog na penguin na basta. Ang cute lang and, ayun, are you guys ready for a quick design talk? Parang teaser lang siya for our upcoming next sessions, podcast, mga gano'n. Parang short design talk lang siya for ngayon. Okay, let's go. So, designer's talk. Ano lang 'to, quick design talk. We're gonna talk about why I chose this, like, statement, how to design for people, and then, of course, after that, we're gonna have a short summary and mindset as a designer. Ano lang, mga sharing of motivational and, of course, our feedback forms. Yeah, sure. You can have a copy of the presentation. I'll send it here after this one. Or do you wanna have it now? Ano ba? Do you want to have it ngayon? Okay, after na lang. Alright. So, sige, sige. So, interactive to siya. I want everyone to participate if I'm gonna ask any questions or if I'm gonna ask your insight. I mean, questions related to the talk lang, ganun. Okay, so how to design for people. So wala akong slide niyan because sasabihin ko lang siya. Pero I'm not gonna put the curtains na lang. So, so just in case if may gustong humabol. So, first question. I wanna start my talk with a question kasi interactive nga siya. So, what comes into your mind pag sinabi ko yung how to design for people? One word or hindi kahit di one word, what comes to your mind pag sinabi kong design for people? I want to know what's your thought about it before we deep dive into further into our discussion, gano'n. Hmm. Familiarity, accessible, intuitive, empathize, persona, wow. Knowing your user, user-centered, user experience. So, din sa mga kasi 'di ba kanina may nagsabi na zero experience. So, kindly read the chat then because kaya siya interactive para kahit sa mga dun na walang experience about UI UX, you're gonna have the knowledge coming from the fellow mentees. So, ayan. Preference, self-centered, user-friendly. Grabe, alam niyo na talaga yung user-centered. I mean, how to design for people. I believe the reason why you already know about it kasi if you're gonna go through some courses or some like topics or learnings or a lot of designers, they also tell you or advocate on creating user-centered design. 'Di ba? Always go for accessibility when it comes to designing. Kaya I believe lahat talaga they're familiar with it. So, eto another question. Para kanino ba yung ano, like UI UX accessibility? Is it for people na may disability lang or is it really for everyone? I wanna hear your insights about it. Kasi 'di ba sinabi UI UX like accessibility. Kung sinabi mo accessibility, is it for like people with disabilities or is it for everyone? Kay mama lang. Grabe naman. Natawa ako dun, ah. Kay mama lang daw, okay. Everyone, madaming nagsasabing everyone. Interesting lang talaga if it's interactive. Mas gaganahan kang maging mag-share, 'di ba? Okay, so thank you so much for that, for giving your thoughts. And again, our talk for today it's about how to design for people or UI and UX accessibility. The things that you have to know, mga ganun. And quick talk lang to siya. So first, before we start with UI UX accessibility, I'm gonna start with, of course, what is UI and UX. So ano lang to parang quick introduction lang. So, UI, so para mas madali mo siyang maintindihan, UI is what you see on the screen. So, kumbaga, when you are on a website or on a mobile app, what you see, 'di ba, yun yung colors, typography, layouts, graphics elements, and all the things na nagpapaganda ng design ng isang app. So, that is UI. UI is user interface. Interface, so the short way, I mean the key to remembering what's the difference between UI is that UI is what you see on screen and UX naman on the other hand, it's your overall experience or the overall experience of the users and on how you interact with the product. Yung product na tinutukoy ko dito it's in general. So, web design, web application, mobile application, and all of that. Ito yung experience ng users kung paano kung whenever nag-e-interact siya sa application mo. That's UX design. So UI, it's what you see. UX is how it feels. It's the behavior, the pain points of the user. So, gets ba? Lalong-lalo na dun sa mga nagsa-start pa lang na mag-deep dive into UI UX. So I hope that's clear for UI and UX. Don't worry about it. We're gonna go deep dive about UI UX on our next session, which is UI UX design fundamentals. That part we're gonna be talking more ano nga ba yung UI UX from that. Okay? Kasi madami pa talaga fundamentals. Kasi for me, the very broad part of UI UX design is UX design itself. For me lang kasi there's really like lots of research and all of it. Yun talaga. So, wag kayong mag-alala. We're gonna talk about that on our next sessions. So, ayun. Since we know now what is UI and UX, we're gonna talk naman about UX accessibility. So, alam nyo ba na ano, like 15% ng population natin nagkakaproblema sa accessibility every day. That's 15% of the world population ha. Nagkakaproblema sila sa accessibility every day. So, it might not sound like a very huge number kasi 15% lang siya. But if you imagine it, na it's a world, like nakabase siya sa population from the whole world, padami pa ding users na having problem pa din talaga sa accessibility. So, as designers, 'di ba, we need to value and advocate for design accessibility talaga. So, 'di ba, like parang nakakalungkot lang na if you I like kasi ako, I follow mga advocates ng yung may mga disabilities sila tapos they're finding it hard to use some applications. Like for example, yung mga like sa fast food. Alam niyo ba yung yung parang touchscreen sa McDo? I don't know what it's called like, but if you wanna go explore that one for example, yeah, meron silang dun, accessibility feature. So, 'pag nag-McDo kayo, tignan niyo yung feature na yun. Like, oo, ayan. Thank you for mentioning that one. Ayan. They have that kind of feature, na accessibility feature. So, you might want to explore that as well. And you might also want to like identify what are the things that kailangan pa talaga ng improvement. Okay. So, so sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, 'di ba? Tinanong ko sa inyo kanina, 'di ba, if kung ano nga ba yung how to design for people. This time naman, I want you to answer like ano nga ba yung accessibility? Yeah. What do you think? Ano nga ba yung accessibility? Kasi it's different from from answering the question on how to design for people and answering the question for accessibility lang. So ano nga ba yung accessibility for you? Hi, Lawrence. Hello, Core Lawrence. So again, ano nga ba yung accessibility for you? Ayun. Taking consideration sa limitations ng ibang users, correct? Tama-tama. Making things in a way po that are easy to understand for everyone. Ease of access, correct? Accessibility ensures digital content and technology are designed to be usable by all, regardless of disabilities. Correct. Making your apps easier to use. Gaano kadali gamitin yung system. Can be used by very diverse groups and inclusivity and equal access. Convenience. True. Pasok sa 10 rules of thumb din Nielsen. People with problems being able to have the same opportunities with able-bodied people. Grabe naman tong mga mentees na to. I really love it if it's conversational. Kasi even if I'm the only speaker here, it makes me feel like I'm also like like meron din akong speaker dito. Even if I'm alone lang here sa stage. Ayun guys, I'm very happy that you all know what's accessibility and design. So yes, since sasabi na nila, accessibility is predicting how your users will interact with the product and making that possible. So of course, dapat in your mind na you want to make their life comfortable. You want to make your design inclusive for everyone. 'Di ba? Design inclusivity, kumbaga. So, we are gonna be talking about some types of accessibility issues. Kasi syempre, for you to identify or for you to create an application or a design that is accessible for everyone or a design that is like human-centered, we need to know some different kinds of like disabilities. I bet alam niyo na 'to. So, sa accessibility natin, I mean accessibility issues we have here, we have visual difficulties. Eto yung mga complete blindness, color blindness. I know that you're familiar with that. That's why if you're gonna explore to different like yung phone nyo, merong colorblind option or if you play games, meron colorblind options, brightness issues, mga ganun. Yep. We also have auditory difficulties, hearing difficulties. We also have learning or cognitive difficulties. And we also have neurological difficulties or epilepsy. So, we also, like, kasi 'di ba nga sabi natin, UX, UI, like accessibility, creating accessibility design is not just for people na merong disabilities mismo. But meron ding mga tao kasi na meron silang conditions or like mga temporary conditions na nakaka-affect on how they interact with your design or application. Kunwari, for example, yung mga broken limbs, yung mga noisy environments, yung bright or low light, or yung merong mga temporary vision impairments, mga ganun. Personally, ano, even if, like, one thing that I always use is the voice feature ni Google. Kasi whenever like, parang antok na ako, ginagamit ko na lang yung voice feature ni Google to set my alarm, to set my task, and all of that. So, yes, hindi lang siya para dun sa mga merong kapansanan. It's for everyone. So, in order for you to create a design that's accessible for everyone, you have to put empathy. Because empathy is understanding na hindi lahat ng users na gumagamit ng application mo is navigating the same way. 'Di ba? We have individuals na may special needs na kailangan nila ng assistive technologies. So I want to ask you guys another question. If you could name one accessibility tool and put it here on our chats. I want to see if you're familiar with any assistive tools or technologies, lalong-lalo na ngayon in our generation na we have various technologies, AIs, na dinadevelop to make design accessible for everyone. So, lagay niyo na siya dyan. I want to have your inputs if you know about it. And afterwards, I'll also provide some tools that you can use or implement on your design. So, meron dito, screen reader, text-to-speech, colorblind mode, magnifier, voice assist. Wow! You guys, you're making me very proud, ah. Next, speech recognition, text-to-speech, vibration, captions or subtitles, listening feature, speech recognition, ano pa 'to? Google Lens. Ang dami-dami, 'di ba? Ang dami-dami. So, there are so many tools that we can implement in our design to make our design accessible for everyone. Okay, so I'm gonna name few tools here. So wala tayong slide, so I want you all to listen. And okay, so first, we have our screen reader. Ito yung software na binabasa niya yung content out loud for people with sight impediments. Okay, it's very common na ngayon sa mga websites natin. Next is we have our screen magnifiers. Ito naman yung ginagamit na tool for those people na hindi nakakakita ng mga text na maliliit. So, this tool helps you zoom the text para mabasa nyo siya. It's called screen magnifier. Next is our switch controls. So, for switch control naman, it allows people with motor impairments to use a device without a touch screen, keyboard, or mouse. So, eto siya. Pwede siyang gamitin. Yeah, the first tool that I said is screen reader. So, ano na lang, I have a word kasi for this. So, if you want, I can share it then afterwards or parang notes, ganun. So, yeah, the slide is static. So, more on pakikinig to and interaction. Next is we have closed captioning or CC, kumbaga. It's a tool to help users with hearing impairments and users that have problems understanding speech. I believe closed captioning is one of the tools na palagi na siyang ginagamit. Lalo na if you're watching a movie. Kasi there are times talaga na parang naiintindihan mo siya kung ano, 'pag nababasa mo siya while you're watching. Yes. So next is yep, yeah, that's actually a great suggestion, patatas. So yeah, I'm gonna create a notion for the notes here for our sessions. So for the 12 sessions, I'm gonna create a notion for that and maglalagay tayo ng notes dun. Yeah, lalong-lalo na sa ano, yung mga movies na mahirap yung accent, 'di ba? Or yung movies na hindi siya in English, hindi siya in Tagalog, or any foreign language siya. So even if 'di ba, that's an example na kahit if you don't have an accessibility issues or disabilities, you can still make use of the accessibility tools. Siyempre dito sa FWDP, it's ano, we are a community that's ano, open to share the knowledge, all of it. Okay, so yun lang yung mga example ng accessibility tools natin. I've only provided 4. First is yung screen reader, second, screen magnifiers, switch controls, and closed captioning. So, please do a research about other tools, lalong-lalo na I believe madami pa ding tools na na-implement ngayon that you might want to implement and consider on making your design. So after that, bakit nga pa importante yung UI, UX, accessibility, and design? So, kumbaga dito naman tayo sa business side. 'Di ba kasi we are like UI UX designers, we work on creating a design for business. So, we need to know bakit nga ba siya importante sa business side naman aside from the user side, for the empathy side. Kasi we're gonna be working with businesses kasi 'di ba, as a UI UX designer. So, it's important that we have the considerations. So first, it's for a driver for innovation. What do you think? Like, bakit sinabi ko dito na a driver for innovation siya? Bakit kaya? Lalo-lalo na sa generation natin, di ba? We always hear the word innovative. Lalo-lalo na sa field natin, industry natin, na it always keeps on innovating. It keeps on changing. There are always changes in trends and all of that. So, kaya siya driver for innovation kasi it gives your business a chance to innovate, create a tool na makaka-benefit to your users. So, you might want to you don't know in the future or kahit ngayon, this year, you're gonna create a tool pala na ano, na bago siya for accessibility design. Yes, lalo-lalo na sa tech industry na we are always evolving na parang you feel like parang kailangan mo palaging ano, keep on track. Like, it's not enough that you learn about design ngayon and then ulit-ulit mo lang siyang gawin. You should be designing and learning at the same time. 'Di ba? It's not enough na, "Ay, alam ko na 'yan, hindi ko na 'yan aaralin kasi alam ko na 'yan, eh." 'Di ba? It's not enough. You need to know the trends and the new features, the new tools to become a great UI UX designer while considering the UI UX accessibility. True. Eto, may sinabi dito, sa business world ngayon, need mo maging unique. And if you have a vision to help people, malaking impact din sa business yan. Correct. That's very true. One example is Google. They always keep on innovating, on creating different technologies and design to help users na may problema with accessing your tools. Yep, it's a non-stop studying, guys. Mag-aaral talaga kayo. Like, let's say, ngayon kayo nag-start mag-venture ng UI UX design. Mag-aaral na kayo niyan every day. Believe me. It's that's the good thing na that's the good thing I love about UI UX design because I always look forward for things na hindi ko pa alam. Non-stop studying. And it takes perseverance talaga. So, next business value, given na it's understandable na if you are gonna create a tool for a business or the new design for a business, ano talaga siya, nakaka-increase siya ng value. Kasi, 'di ba, you're gonna have more users to use your application. You're gonna have more users na makagagamit ng application mo or design mo. Next is empathy. Of course, nasa huli man siya, pero ito yung pinaka-important above all the rest because it is the right thing to do. Okay? I want you to put this in mind. Designing with empathy is always the right thing to do. So, yeah, I wanna hear your, thoughts kung ano nga ba yung empathy. So, can you please chat it here on our stage chat? Kahit ano lang, one word, empathy. Showing that you care. Grabe naman. Next, consideration, considerate, understanding, may pakialam, kindness, connection, relatable, concern, care for others. Yes. I really love your answers, guys. Ability to understand someone else's feelings or thoughts in a situation. Correct. Kasi nga, di ba, we are designing for people. That means we care for our users. So empathy is one of the values FWDP is upholding, guys. Love you all. Next naman, yes, that's very true. Kaya, I'm very happy that, I became part of this community talaga. Ayan. So, sa next session natin we're gonna be talking about UI UX design fundamentals. And that, we are gonna be talking about empathizing for users. Okay? Ano muna to ngayon? Very teaser. Usability. So, accessibility and usability. Do you think parehas sila? Accessibility and usability. Parehas ba sila or hindi? What do you think? Kasi madami pa ring nako-confuse. Me, before, yes, I did. Ano nga ba yung accessibility? Ano nga ba yung usability? Parang ano, they sound the same. Pero do you think it's the same or different? Ayun. Yep, it's very different, guys. It might just sound the same, pero magkaiba sila. So, yung accessibility, ano, pwede kang gumawa ng design na kino-consider yung accessibility ng user mo. Pero, ang tanong, is it easy to use? That's the big question. Does it win pa din when it comes to usability side? Because, yeah, we can create lots of designs, diba? We can create designs or like let's say, gawa tayo ng design for like closed captioning, ganun. Pero, if you don't consider the usability of your design, wala pa din. It's still it's still not, ano pa din, considering the user. So, yep, accessibility is yun yung making our design easy, and usability is making our design usable for everyone. Or user-friendly. Ayun, the term, user-friendly. And, okay, so, ano tong okay, yes. Actually, I have one favorite line na tumatak talaga siya sa isipan ko as a designer. Sinabi siya ng mentor ko eh, "Simple design is a good design." I hope na narinig niyo din 'yan na simple design is a good design. Less is more. True, that's correct. I always hear that. That's one of my favorite line. Simple design is a good design. I want you to, like, ano, lagay niyo siya diyan sa core memories niyo. Kasi ano, simple design is a good design. Hindi lang siya sa side ng users, but also to the people that you are working with. 'Di ba? As a UI UX designer, hindi lang naman yung mga designers yung wino-work or kina-collaborate mo, 'di ba? Also gonna be collaborating with the software engineers, you're also gonna be collaborating with the developers. So, if you're gonna create a design na sobrang daming features, interactions that it affects the accessibility and the usability of the users, and at the same time, it's impossible for the devs to code, it's ano pa din, it's a flaw as a designer. So, there should be a balance talaga. Kasi if you are on the real world, if you're already working on a company or like nasa UI UX industry ka na talaga, what usually happens if you create lots of features on your design na hindi na siya, like sobrang impossible na siya to implement, they're gonna have you to revise it. Ipapa-revise nila yan sa'yo. Gusto mo ba yun? Nagre-revise ka palagi. Tapos you're like, while you are on the part of revising, I know as a designer, maraming designer dito na ayaw nang nagre-revise, lalo na if they're gonna revise for like more than 4 revisions. 'Di ba? Parang parang that's the thing that I want the designers to avoid. I want myself to avoid as a designer na ayokong nag-o-overdesign ako. Kaya I always put it in mind na simple design is a good design. Sabi nga dito, it's very simple to make a UI, but it's very difficult to make a simple UI. Correct. Napapansin nyo ba? For those designers who are venturing Figma, using Figma or nagda-design na, like 'pag kumokopya kayo ng mga simple na design, parang mahirap siya gawin. For me, it's harder because it's simple, but it's nice at the same time, 'di ba? Like, like, yung pinakagusto ko talaga na design is from iOS talaga. It's very simple, but at the same time, parang grabe naman, ang hirap naman gayahin ng ganitong klase ng design. Simple lang naman siya, 'di ba? So, yeah, always go for a simple design, always go for usability, and accessibility. Kahit parang sa'yo kulang, pero sobrang na talaga siya kahit sobrang simple. Yep, ayun talaga. Dati I was a graphic designer before ako nag-explore sa UI/UX design. And graphics designer ako tapos nagde-design ako ng mga like nagde-design lang ako, kahit ano-ano lang, mga gano'n. Ta's nung nag-UI/UX na ako, every time na may dine-design ako, I always consider it in my mind, user-friendly ba 'to? Ano ba 'to? Like, like, is it easy for my users to use it, to interact with this feature? Like, is this text too small? Is this text too large? Or etong button na 'to, is it too big ba siya? Especially na mobile user it's a mobile app. Kunwari, masyado bang malaki yung button na 'to or masyadong maliit? Like parang gano'n. Every time na like UI/UX really changed my mindset as a designer kasi I always consider for every time nag-o-overthink na ako guys, every time na nagde-design ako like like, "Is this okay? Ang daming considerations, ganyan, ganito." Pero that's okay. That's nice actually. Now you always consider your users when you're designing kasi para sa kanila naman talaga 'yan, eh. Yes, akala ko din nung una design-design lang siya. Pero nung in-explore ko na yung UX part, grabe. I was bombarded with theories, psychological things and all of that. Kaya I encourage you talaga to attend our sessions, tech sessions, kasi we're gonna talk about it. Yung hindi kayo ma-o-overwhelm and at the same time, you feel like kahit you don't have experience, you feel belong here. Parang gano'n. Yan. So, okay. So, alright. Next is, malapit na 'to. Mga design principles. I believe design principles, you always hear this, you always see this, or nababasa niyo 'to, mga gano'n. Mga fundamentals in design. We're gonna talk about this on our next session, pero ayun, for now, ano muna, like, mga design principles, ito yung mga hierarchy, contrast, discoverability, scale, and font. Ito yung mga design principles. If you wanna you can go to Google and pag sinearch mo yung design principles, lalabas tong 4 or 5. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, we're gonna talk about it on our next session. We're gonna deep dive about all these fundamentals. And next is wrap up. So, yeah, before wrap up pala, are you familiar with WCAG or the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines? Are you familiar with that? WCAG. I'm gonna type it here on the chat because I wanna know if you're familiar with it or hindi pa. Because, ayun, madaming nag-know. Don't worry about it. If you don't know about it yet, we're here for you. Next, parang ads. Okay, so just a quick introduction about WCAG. You might want to search about it before we start our next session. Para if we talk about it na, you're gonna have some insights. So yes, ito, WCAG, it's Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. Eto yung mga guidelines, mga rules, advice to follow when you make your website or app accessible for everyone. Okay? So, it's a list of resources. And yes, standard siya, just like what Mark said here, na standard siya on ensuring websites na accessible siya for people. And then, we also have ADA Act. It's also a regulation to prevent discrimination against user with disabilities. So, 'di ba, sobrang dami palang i-consider when you want to go to UI UX design. Grabe may mga act, napunta na tayo sa mga act or regulations. Yep. So, then WCAG is rules siya and guidelines to make your design accessible for everyone, and yung ADA or ADA Act naman is it aims to prevent discrimination against users with disabilities. So to wrap up our quick design talk for today, for tonight, so yung mga ano pala, na-mention ko pala earlier, parang ano na siya, it may sound overwhelming, like, dami naman pala, need to consider. Yes, it is lots of works, pero sobrang dami niyang benefit. Not only that, it is the right thing to do, pero it can also boost your engagement and propel your business forward. 'Di ba? We always need to consider then the parts of like the business side then. So, even if sounds overwhelming ngayon, yes, lalo-lalo na if you click the website ng WCAG, like when I first clicked it, like I was like, ang dami naman pala, like, oh my gosh, am I really gonna be able to digest all of this information? Mga ganun. So, ayun. So, I want you to attend pa din on our next session because we're gonna deep dive through it and a way na hindi tayo mabombarded with the different details and ano, ayun, para hindi masyadong sumakit yung ulo natin. Okay, so kahit challenging siya at first, by staying informed and following certain guidelines, you can ensure na yung product or yung design mo is accessible siya for everyone. Okay? So, I hope na kahit quick lang 'to designer talk na 'to kasi teaser lang talaga siya. I hope na meron naman akong na-share or I hope na meron naman ako like mga things na nabigay sa inyo that's new for you. And yep. So, that's the designer talk natin ngayon. And yeah, guys, we have look for summaries today's orientation. Ayun lang we discussed about. Yeah, so a quick summary lang for those na baka na-bombarded na kayo sa information eh. So eto so sa course natin, ayan, possible podcast topics since it's talaga, if you're wondering bakit siya UXapang, UIdol. Kasi more on talaga siya, podcast na way, parang gano'n. Para interactive naman siya. And ayun, eto yung mga possible podcast topics natin. Ayan, introduction to UI/UX design. So that's our next topic for the session. That's gonna be on Sunday, 6 to 8 p.m. pa din, here on FWTP and on the same stage. Ayan, oh, dami 'di ba? Ayan, we're gonna talk about it on our next session. So, wag kayong mag-alala guys. Our goal is to make this session user-friendly beginner friendly, kahit zero level of experience, zero level of expertise. I want you to know that you belong here. Okay? And ayan, exciting activities. We have our weekly design challenge, which is it's gonna be posted. The registration form will be posted tomorrow on our Facebook page, Facebook socials. I'm sorry, socials, FB groups, Discord here, and on our Discord and our page, LinkedIn. Pupost namin doon yung registration if you want to join our weekly design challenge. That's gonna be starting on Monday. And the deadline is every Saturday. And merong live feedback on Sunday. Ayun. So, weekly design challenge, collaboration siya ng mga mentees from our developers, mentees. So, I'm very excited for this because I really want to see how well you can collaborate, 'di ba? You can collaborate with the devs, mentees din. And ayun, activities, speakers from different UI UX design communities. I believe you are looking forward for that as well. Kasi FWDP, we have lots of communities na partners natin. So, I am very excited to have our UI UX designers na mag-speak din here for our session and design sprint. Ayun lang. So, rewards, winners for the weekly design challenge, top 3 best UI UX mentees, and our UI UX design sprint winners. Ito yung mga prize. I have discussed it earlier. And, yep, Design for Everyone session is upcoming rin, guys. On Cave Guild. Hopefully, makasali rin kayo. Ayun. Yes, Cave Guild is one of our partners. I have attended their session then. The first, I believe, yung speaker nila dito is si The Reaper mismo. It was very informative. I also had fun. Ayan. So, join na din kayo from one of our partners. And, yep. So, I want you to read this one here. Mentors matter. Find people ahead of you on your path and learn from them. Their wisdom can save you years of struggle. Be humble, ask questions. When I first read those lines, I was like, parang na-touch talaga ako. Kasi I have a mentor din kasi. Tapos shinare ko 'to sa kanya tapos parang natuwa talaga siya na ano. Yeah, this is actually my favorite quote because I really love learning. I really love sharing. Kaya nga kung napapansin niyo sa session na 'to, I always ask you to collaborate with your fellow mentees, like collaborate, connect with other people. Kasi I want you to not just connect with them, but I also want you to learn from each other. I want us to learn from each other. Kasi sabi nga dito, 'di ba? This wisdom can save you years of struggle. Their wisdom pala, I'm sorry. That's very true. Kasi when I had a mentor, when I started to like ask for mentorships from people na ahead talaga sa akin, it saved me struggles, frustrations. Kasi they share you their knowledge eh. Kaya wala talagang ano, it's always being humble and asking questions. Not being afraid to ask questions. I want you to imply that and put it in your mind na you can ask your questions even if you feel like you are even those designers na even if they're designing from Google, if they're designing for Apple, they still ask questions. That's what surveys are for, 'di ba? If you notice, may mga surveys from design, like, if you use this app, may surveys sila. Ginagamit din kasi yan ng mga designers nila on how they're gonna create their app na maging mas better pa siya. So, kung yung mga nagwo-work nga sa Google, nagtatanong pa din ng question, how much more kung you are starting pa lang? So, be humble, ask questions. May roadmap ka po bang sinusundan? Yes, I have a roadmap. Actually, naka-print yan sa'kin. So, naka-print yan sa'kin. Every like, I wake up, which part am I? Ayun, naka-print talaga siya. So, I'm gonna share it to you. I actually follow 2 roadmaps here. I'm gonna share it here din sa ano. Naka-print talaga 'to sa ano, meron kasi akong notebook dedicated for UI UX lang siya. So, whenever I have the time, I have a free time, gano'n, tinitignan ko yung roadmap to see which part na yung ano, which part na ba ako or kahit na I have already like naano ko na yung ano, part na yun, puwede ko siyang balikan because I have this roadmap. It's a guideline. So, those 2 are the roadmaps that I love and follow. So, you might want to check it because throughout the sessions, we're also gonna be using that roadmap then because it's created for a reason to make our UI UX learning easier. Okay? So next is ayun. I shared the link on the chat and of course trying to learn design and code at the same time. Yes, it's overwhelming. And yep, time management because I am also I also want to be a UI UX designer who do code. Kumbaga, I also have this in my mind na I'm gonna also learn front end. Kasi gusto ko yung um, I want to code my designs din. Ayun. So, pero time management and focus on one muna, thing that you wanna really pursue. Okay, so yeah, since yung mga questions naman na-cater ko naman siya throughout our session. So, we have our feedback form. Eto feedback form, if you're wondering, para saan ba 'to feedback form? It just doesn't help us make our mentoring session much better, but it also serves as your attendance for today's session. So, please do fill up the feedback form and I'm gonna give time for you guys to fill up the feedback form. Mga 9:10. Ayan. Ay hindi siya hanggang 9:10 ha, but magchichika muna tayo dito hanggang 9:10 PM. Pero you can fill up the feedback form after the session or when you have the time na. Ayan, okay? Please do it kasi it helps us provide our mentoring session much better and para malaman din namin yung opinion, no? And okay, so since di pa naman 9:10, I'm gonna cater some questions here. Bale, ito na lang yung Q&A muna natin. Because nag-overextend na talaga tayo, grabe. Muna, Q&A until 9:10 PM. And then we can go ahead and pahinga na. Kumakanta ka po ba? Lagi ko 'tong lagi ko 'tong I'm sorry. I think I shared what bakit eto na lang po pre? Did I share the wrong link ba? Eto na lang, yung shinare ni Core Set. Please, answer your feedback. I mean, answer your, the feedback form. Kumakanta daw ba ako? Actually, I am a singer sa bahay. Um, specifically sa kwarto. Pero, sabi ko sa bahay, sa kwarto. So, hindi ako professional singer. Okay? Naku, pala di ko na lang sinabi. Sabi ko sa kwarto lang.
Guys, alam niyo naman nasa kwarto si
Hala!
Kiara ngayon. Guys! Guys, nasa kwarto si Kiara ngayon, guys!
Oh
Tama
my
ba,
gosh,
Kiara?
parang
Nasaan ka ngayon?
dinrag ko
Nasaan ka
yung
ngayon?
sarili ko sa
Nasaan ka ngayon,
ay,
Kiara?
nasa pintuan.
Nasa
Pintuan.
Nasaan yung
Wala ako sa
pintuan?
kwarto.
Nasa
Labas ng kwarto.
nasa pintuan daw siya, guys. Nasa pintuan daw siya, guys. Nasaan matutagpuan yung pintuan, guys? Sa
Labas, labas, labas.
Guys. Labas. Ano yun, lalamukin ko? Wala naman ako naririnig na ganun yung napapagpatay ng lamok na ganun eh. Ay, sa
Gosh.
kwarto, tama. Tapos may mic pa yan, guys. Kita niyo yung audio, guys. Ako hindi ako nakamic kasi okay lang tayo, guys.
Naku po.
Ito na lang,
Pakanta pa nga.
yung ano, pang
Pero
studio,
hindi talaga ako
tama.
kumakanta.
Mic
Parang
reveal na
ano,
lang, pre.
parang
Sabi ni
parang
Flying Dib.
nakaka-stone ako, Alam mo yun?
Na
Mic
defense.
reveal. Oo nga, bakit
Yan.
may ano
Oo nga, akala ko talaga, wala wala nagre-record o di ako naka-on mic na. Grabe confidence ko kanina, guys.
kaya pala daw may kurtina. Naku po. Pasensya na talaga kayo, guys. Hindi talaga ako kumakanta. Kumakanta lang ako sa kwarto ko. Yun lang. I bet you can relate naman. Pero 'pag ako na kumakanta parang maging baka umulan. Nag-bombarded yung chat.
Duet
Ay,
po kayo ni
kakanta ako 'pag
Founder.
duet. Charot! Joke lang guys. Let's dive in na sa mga
Patay tayo dyan, guys. Bahay kubo lang alam ko, guys.
Okay, sana yung
Teka, ba't
tabunan
ako
niyo yung
nadamay
blessing.
dyan?
Kumakanta ka
Akala ko
kasi
si Kiara
kanina
lang, guys.
eh.
Oh my. Oh
Hanggang
my
9
song.
lang tayo.
Nandito pa ba
Sample
si
daw.
Nandito pa ba si Ivan?
Kanta na lang tayo ng
Ay, Ivan ba?
parody.
Ayun, dito pa si
Charot.
Ivan. Ayoko
So,
kumanta, guys, eh. Baka umulan, eh. Okay na yung weather ngayon.
eto, one question lang.
Yan.
Important po ba yung design to have a fixed set of values for colors, font size, spacing, or parang general sinabi niya na din na importante po ba yung design system? For me, there's no such thing as a fixed size in design, fixed font size in design. It all matters to you as a designer. Kumbaga, yung mga nakikita natin na mga basehan ng design is a basis lang siya. But it doesn't mean na you have to implement it in every design na ginagawa mo. Let's say for example, in mobile design, the smallest text na pwede mo gamitin is 14px. Standard na yun. But yes, that's the standard. Pero, kumbaga, if you go beyond 14px na, if you're gonna go use other text size, mga ganun, it's all up to you. And kaya diyan pumapasok yung design system. Why design system is very important? Because the purpose of design system is to make your design like, anong tawag dun? Nakalimutan ko tuloy yung term. Na-distract ako sa kakanta. Yung dapat kasi if you're a UX designer, hindi lang ikaw yung UI UX designer sa company. That's possible. So, kaya may design system para yung designer is coherent to each other, consistent. Ayun, that's the term. That's the purpose of design system. Don't worry about it because we're gonna be talking about design system furthermore on our next sessions. Okay? So, yep. It's also for the benefit of the dev. So, ayun, na-extend naman tayo ng 2 minutes. Grabe. Kakanta. Hindi talaga ako kumakanta. So, ayun. Ayun na lang. I'll sing na lang nung kasi gagawa si John Dev ng parody for Christmas, I believe. And in-invite niya ako kagabi to sing nung line nung babae. So, yun na lang siguro.
John
Is
Dev,
it a
nandito ka pa
deal?
ba?
Andiyan si
John
John
Dev,
Dev.
nandito ka ba? John Dev. John Dev, nandito ka.
Ako na lang,
Yun.
mag-volunteer na lang ako na
Kakanta na tayo
kantahin
ng
yung
singer mo,
part
pre.
na yun.
Wait lang,
May
pre. Wait lang.
pa-collaboration
Okay lang ba kasama to sa recording, guys?
Ano bang gagawin? Di ako kakanta. Ngayon?
Kasama. Baka mapasa ang board ka, pre. Grabe mga mentor, magagaling na nga, singers pa. Nako, AJ. AJ, dito ka ba AJ? AJ
Di
NS.
ayun.
Kakanta si
Feedback form
Rebu
niyo guys,
bukas, guys.
Huwag niyong kalimutan. Yeah, so yeah, John Dev is gonna be creating a parody for this Christmas. Tas in-invite niya ako kagabi to sing the part kasi may babae kasi na part dun. So yun na lang guys, please, yun na lang. Kasi paturuin niyo na ako pero wag niyo akong pakantahin sa stage. Ayun lang. Okay? So, please fill up the feedback form and that's a wrap for today's session. Yeah, this is the link for the feedback form. I hope you guys had fun and at the same time, I hope na you feel, ano lang, comfortable. And ayun, I hope you learned lots of things. And I hope hindi kayo inantok. Sana hindi kayo nagutom. So if hindi pa kayo kumain, please have your dinner after this. And ayun, maraming salamat guys. This is my very first time actually to speak with lots of people and I have fun. I had fun. Totally, I could say it. I could say it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I really had fun. And I learned a lot from you. Yun naman tayo. We learn a lot from each other. Ayun. So that's a
Ayan.
wrap and thank you so much for attending for today's session and
Thank you, guys.
thank you. And don't forget the UIX badge sa Discord I look forward for
Oo, UI,
you
UX na
guys.
dito sa channels and
Mhm.
ay,
I look forward
yes.
for seeing you guys here in the community and I can't wait to see your designs. Yay, let's go. May ano ba 'to?
Patiin at kung ano
May ano
natutunan
dito,
nyo,
may
guys.
ano 'to, ano 'to dito, confetti. Yun.
Alam niyo ba, guys, it's actually this is very special because it is Kiara's first time to talk, no? Before
First time,
to share
never.
her. So historical, guys, na ababot tayo ng ilan? 180 yun.
180 audience. It's my first time,
181.
no.
Oo,
Parang
181.
formal,
Oo.
formal talaga.
Mm.
Pero usually puro informal
Hindi,
kasi.
oo. Inisi ko tuloy, di ba? Since we have cave here. Ayan, invitayin din natin si The Reaper sometime na eh. Sa ano, yon. Ano yan, yung parang ano, podcast sessions. Yeah. Actually, parang nakalista na sa mga i-approach ko actually. Kasi
Yeah,
according to our FWDP people na umattend sa Cave Guild, napakagaling daw ni Reaper. Nice.
true. I've been there.
Kaso ano eh, wala kasi ako noon gawa nga nasa burol ako, ba't kasi nag-unalive yung lolo ko eh. Kasi siya ano eh, di
Uy,
naka-schedule
grabe
eh.
ka.
Hindi, I mean, he died naturally naman.
Mhm.
So
The
yeah, so
Reaper.
very unfortunate.
Your Actually, meron naman kasi silang session. Upcoming, 'di ba? So, The Reaper,
Ay,
you might
meron
want to
ba?
promote it here. Yes, nakita ko kanina. So, you might want to plug it here. Kasi, in our
Saan ba,
community,
pre?
UI UX community, we want to learn a lot. So, you might want to plug it here.
Plug na yan, guys.
Yes. The
Invite
Cave
ba natin
Guild
to speak?
is our partner. Yeah, you might want to plug it here habang meron pa tayong audience. The Reaper, you might want
Wait
to
lang.
do a quick speech.
I-invite ko na, pre.
Sayang yung 102 audience, oh. Grabe.
Malaki pa
Staying
rin yun.
strong. True. It's your time to shine, Chos.
Ay, oy, River, tinawag kang pre, oh. Paano ba yan? Anong gagawin natin kay Christian Dev, guys? Pinre ka, oh.
So, yan, nandyan ba si The Reaper? Ayun,
Wala
naka-raise na
pa.
siya.
Pero,
Hindi mo...
hindi,
I don't have the power yata.
wait. Invite to speak? Ako
Yeah, I
ata
don't
nag-invite
know.
to speak sa kanya.
Really? Okay,
Invite
okay.
sent.
Habang meron pa tayong audience, ano muna, partner, Cave Guild is our partner. They also provide
Hmm.
sessions, free sessions.
Ban yan si Christian. Next Sunday na unban. Ay, wait lang. May nag-invite to speak eh.
Invite to
Wag
speak.
naman. Ayun guys, so thank you very much for coming. And of course, meron tayong mga sessions bukas. We have two mentoring sessions na, uy, dito na pala si The Reaper. Alright, sige The Reaper, kindly share what K-Build is about. Tapos, your upcoming session, partner. Yan, literal na partner guys.
Hello, everyone. Yes, so I am JM pala. You can call me JM. I am from the Cave Guild, no? Actually, yung Cave Guild is about talaga siya sa mga advocate for crypto. So we are focusing on crypto, pero welcome din kami sa iba ng mga events, like especially for developers. So about sa event namin, sa design session namin, it's called Design for Everyone. So our very first session pala is actually tapos na last I think Sunday. So yun, Design for Everyone is actually about UI UX design, then focus sa UX design, but we aim to provide knowledge na di common, especially for beginners, yung if you can I actually talked about this previously, no? If you can see sa mga courses sa mga course websites, they teaching UI UX design, but they focus in Figma. They're not actually delving deeper onto the concept of design, how design works, design thinking processes. So Design for Everyone is aims to give information about that, especially for beginners, kasi mahirap yung UI UX design actually if Figma lang yung i-learn mo, kasi UI UX design is not just about Figma, it's entirely a different domain, no, in terms sa development. So yun guys, actually yung next session namin is on development pa yung graphics. Ginagawa ko pa yung graphics, so mag-update lang ako in case matapos ko lang gawin yung graphics, especially yung presentation ko rin. So hopefully lahat makasali, and thank you everyone sa pag-welcome, no, and congratulations pala sa partnership ng Cave Guild at FWDP. Thank you guys. And great session para Kiara. Thank you po.
Alright, thank
Ayun,
you
thank you
so
so
much,
much
The
for that.
Reaper. Grabe, nakaka-excite naman yun, Kiara, na. Nakaka-excite naman
True.
yung partnership na yan, guys. Isipin nyo, guys, Cave Guild pa lang yan. No? Meron pa tayong Angular Philippines. Angular Philippines. Yan. So, Angular Philippines, ang dami nating ano sa kanila. Sessions with them. Uy, ito pala si Cor Lawrence. Sino magsalita?
Hi,
So,
Lawrence.
ayun. Hello,
Napindot, pero
Lawrence. Musta na? Ayan.
Wala, na-speaker ka na.
Wala,
Never back
pre.
down,
Speaker ka
never
na,
what.
pre.
ako.
Okay, so founder, what's ano pala?
Ayun. So, meron tayong sessions on November yun mga hindi sabihin ko na lang din dito, meron tayong mga speakership, guest speakers. Two of them
Mhm.
are from Angular Philippines. Actually, three of them.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Wow, wow, wow.
Ganun tayo guys. So, November 12 kay CJ Villafranca. So, he'll talk about standalone web apps sa Angular, yeah, and Angular 17. And then meron din tayong session kung kilala niyo si Learn with John, yun si Learn with John, Ryan Nino Dizon. So, he will be teaching us Azure and Angular creation of a group app. So, yun yung ituturo niya. And then one from to the page on December 2. November 8 si Ryan Dizon. And then December 2 naman si JP. He will be talking about creating SASE web apps using Angular. Of course, SAS, we know SAS, it's a CSS, CSS thing, no? Parang CSS with superpowers. So, we're going to learn that from Sir JP Lazaro. Ano pa ba? Of course, ito si The Reaper. We are going to invite him anytime on November. Anytime, yun nga, yun din, so with our guest speakers in UI UX, no? So, marami tayong nakausap. So, stay tuned lang guys. Ayan. Marami tayong guest speakership. So, dito sa FWDP palagi kayo may matututunan. And if you happen not to be part of an org, and you want to partner with us, for example, Bulsa MSC, guys, please. We would love to partner with you guys again. Yun, so feel free to message us kasi our goal is yun nga, to expand, to reach our impact sa inyo, no? So, to maximize siguro so we can partner. Ayan. And then, ano pa ba? YouTube and TikTok. So if you wanna do TikTok videos and YouTube videos, so parang of course like this one, mga recordings like this one, so we're going to recreate that to YouTube videos and TikTok. So samahan nyo sina Marlene, sina Ninmar from MSU and si Halando ni Revo para dagdag din syempre sa mga volunteers who would love to create content for students and career shifters. Okay, and then magiging boss to si Kiara. Okay, so kindly message me or si Kiara so that kahit dito na lang din sa Discord because palagi naman kami nagdi-Discord, no? O kaya sa LinkedIn. Ayan. Ay, Kiara, where can they reach you pala for questions? Grabe, natagal ng
Yeah.
ending natin, no? Na-enjoy natin.
Yeah, for if you have any questions, you can message me here directly sa Discord. Pwede naman yun. And yeah, you can also message me sa LinkedIn if you want it na parang professional. Chos. Pero yes, and also if you want to have any feedbacks, I'm open for feedbacks, design feedbacks. You can message me directly sa Discord. I'm gonna entertain your concern if I have the time. Ayun. I'm gonna try my best. So, dito lang sa Discord guys. And if you also wanna be part or contribute to the FWDP community, lalo-lalo na that we are gonna be getting on the TikTok and the YouTube and this ang tawag dun? Basta magti-TikTok and YouTube na yung FWDP. So, we are looking for volunteers for those who wants to edit videos, reels, and mga
Yeah.
ganun. Para pwede nyo na din ilagay sa nyo,
Polyo,
portfolio
ano
nyo.
eh.
So, win-win yun, guys. So, aside from that, kahit volunteer lang siya, there's also chance for you to like, have projects, mga ganun. So,
Saka
yeah.
guys, if you're part din kasi ano eh, like for example, sige kami ni Kiara, yun nga din eh, kasi we're starting to get parang connections with people who we admire, no? Kaya grabe. So, yun guys, we're very much open, no? And we to share that opportunity sa inyo guys. Because we already have the platform.
That's
Kung goal
true.
nyo is sumikat, guys, okay, welcome din kami syempre sa mga magpapakita ng videos. Sa mga YouTube videos, yan. If you're confident, no? Kasi, yun nga, the end goal is to connect with the youth, with career shifters, with beginners talaga. Because that's how I started, that's how Kiara started, and that's how the greats started. No? So maraming podcast sessions na darating ang November and December. So stay tuned lang guys. November 1 pala movie marathon. Ayan, so keep posted lang sa announcement. And then bukas, meron tayong, kung gusto nyo makipagkita sa FWDP, Tagaytay guys, so magpunta kami ng Tagaytay. Alright? Ayan. So, nag-share si The Reaper, our partner from Cave Guild. And then a WDP member as well, Pigma Sketch. So yeah. Ayun guys. So thank you very much and see you on the next session. Bye.
Ayun, bye
Bye guys.
everyone.
Bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye
Thank you.
you. Have your dinner. Kumain na kayo.
Kumain na guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Tawa naman ako sa ano.